All right, so we're a little early to this stream. I'm gonna look at every pair as of right now, and then I'm gonna go and yeah, and I'm gonna. So for now, I'm gonna go over my charting. I'm looking over my charting right now, so I'm looking at SPX, seeing what I want for this month. I'm like doing a top down basically from last night, seeing what happens. I'm just going over what I'm looking at, I guess. Pretty much that's it. Yeah, just going over all this right here, like monthly, weekly, daily stuff on my Notion here. Just give me a brief overview as to what I should expect and what I'm watching, like on the higher time frame premise. I'm gonna go to GU monthly time frame here. I'm watching a monthly SIBI, weekly SIBI, weekly range, daily breaker, two imbalances on GU, SIBI and BISI, and then we have 4 hour SIBI, previous day high, relatively wise. So we have SMT there. I remember that. Euro monthly time frame, sunset monthly SIBI. And power three forming. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna see, what week is this? It's the first week, second actual week, of November. So I'm just gonna be watching, seeing how we form power three. This week may create the high or low for the monthly candle. So I'm just seeing. I think next week kind of would. I don't know. I guess next week kind of have to validate it probably. Euro, we're still holding that daily sell buy side imbalance up there. Watch you created another imbalance, which is a sell side imbalance. So it's looking bearish to me. Balance price range here on the 4 hour. We're looking at previous day high. We created relative equal highs up there. We have this on the 4 hour. Yeah, we have a 4 hour buy side imbalance, or like a 4 hour inversion here. I'm gonna go back right here. So right here, this candle, we came tapped up into it. I kind of narrowed it down though by the 1 hour because I have another one right here, a little order block there. And then I guess on the 4 hour too, we had a little balance price range here, so I was watching that too. So, and then equilibrium of the market maker model for this high to this low right here. So we're hitting equilibrium. We were above it already here. Now we're just consolidating around this. So that's kind of why we're seeing this chop. Thursday, what is yesterday? Monday created the. So I want to see if Wednesday high of low week is held. So I'm gonna be watching Dixie monthly time frame, so monthly BISI, power tree forming, previous week low. We're still above previous week low. If we close above the previous week low, that's a good indication to me. If we close below the previous week high, good indication we're gonna be most likely bearish for the next coming week. That's kind of what I was expecting. Dixie high of week Wednesday seems to me inside the SIBI with a breaker. That's pretty good. And the high week yesterday, 4 hour. We had a 4 hour SIBI on Dixie. So if we come tap up into that for Dixie, then I would see these going higher and then Dixie dropping. So, and then never came back to equilibrium in the range. GU has so clear SMT for the here too. So this one hasn't came back to equilibrium, which is like near this breaker here. So you know if Dixie starts to go up, then I would expect us to come down here. Probably first objective will be here. So. Let's see, 1 hour time frame, market maker sell model, fractal one. Equilibrium is right there by the previous monthly low for Dixie. So I'm gonna be watching all that, I guess. So I'm done reviewing the charting. I'm gonna go. We'll go over. I'm gonna go over every chart on the 1 hour because I think that's as good as it should go. Honestly, I don't think it should go any further. So again here GU we had a 4 hour sub SIBI, took out the previous day high. Now we're dropping. We have a 1 hour sell sign imbalance. This one seems a lot weaker than EU, so I would want EU to catch up for sure. SPX again, just high of week is being created every single time. Order block was disrespected. 4 hours buy sign imbalance held on the 4 hour, so you can see that here. Again, we always form like a market maker sell model. We come back retrace, and PM session we just come back up higher. Or like the next day, it's just crazy. I don't know. My main draw for right now on SPX has to be that sell sign imbalance or the previous month high. NQ is still inside of it, so I'm gonna be watching if NQ rallies, takes out these highs, reach for these up here maybe. First objective will probably have to be this high though, so I'm gonna mark that out here for right now, and we're gonna put out buy side liquidity. It's on the daily time frame, so we're just gonna have that marked out there. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. 4 hours sell sign imbalance here held, respected nicely. Created So NQ has still yet to take out the previous day high, while ES still did. So I think there was clear SMT there. We're gonna clean this chart up. So we're gonna go to the daily candle, and we can see here clear SMT. So NQ never has taken out that high, while ES has. And then ES never took out this high either, while NQ has, I think. So yeah, NQ already took that one out. So it's clear SMT there. Go to the 4 hour. We can see it. We can spot it really, really clear. Clear as day. 1 hour. You can see it clear as day too. So we're gonna show this right here, and it's pretty much it. Yeah. So this right here. Let's clear SMT there. That right here. This one. Go to Euro. Let's go back to the 4 hour daily time frame. I'm showing you the daily sell side imbalance. So this is what I'm talking about here on Euro and GU. So Euro's still inside the buy side imbalance, deep into a premium, and then this one is leaving is near equilibrium right now because of the breaker here. So on the 4 hour, let's see if we can find anything. So from this high to this low, you see we have clear SMT there. For what? From this high to this low, not real much. Even this was like a bullish SMT. Not really though, because they both created the same thing. I think on the daily it would look a lot better, honestly. So yeah, you can just see it on the daily here. One created relatively equal lows. Let's go. Let's take these off. Actually, I want to see what's. Go to the 4 hour. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour looks clear to me. This right here. Created some relative equal highs. This one just. Yeah, you see that. You see that clear as day. And it's right there with that. This one with this. Lower lows. This one created higher lows. You can see that clear as day. For your own. GU looks a lot weaker, but it created that higher high. So I guess that took out more buy side, and then it started dropping quickly. While this one never did, and then this one was just lagging, waiting to catch up, I guess, to take that out and then drop. Let's go look at ETH and Bitcoin. Damn, we're just rallying now. I think we're above this right here. If we close below that this month, then I'm gonna be very, very, very bullish, honestly. I don't think I would have anything else to say. All this low resistance being built up. Just one more pump up. Look at that big pump up right now at 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna be watching it, honestly. You know, I don't think I would have been able to expect that. Probably this buy side imbalance never came down deep enough. Probably hit this order block again. Higher probability order block takes out liquidity. You can see that we didn't take out liquidity here, but right here we did to create it. So I would classify this as a high probability. As of right now, let's just focus on what we got. And let's go back over, I guess, over here. Let's go back to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we can just see NQ is still yet to drop. I think we had that. No. I think the SPX had it. For Dixie, we're still inside that 4 hour sell side imbalance. We tapped up into it. We closed a little bit above it, and we entered and we dropped. So again, equilibrium is the previous month high to low. Previous month low. I don't want to see us come down. So for the forex pairs, we're going to have to rally up. I'll probably catch a trend on GU if Dixie starts to drop more. And then Euro USD again is rallying up. GU not really. So just targeting. This one already targeted all this previous day high, so we already took that out. We never came back up into the sell side imbalance there on this one. So I think Euro did. Euro, you already took it out as a balance price range. SPX, we have I think a 4 hour buy side imbalance. Was it? This little order block here, I would say. So we'll see if this one holds. This is not even an order block; it's kind of a breaker, but I'll just classify it as an order block here for you. So we're gonna have that right there. NQ has the same thing, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna just classify it as an order block for now. Literally is a breaker. So we're just gonna leave it here. Today's kind of like a low. Yesterday was a low. I think this whole week has just been a low probable day. I'm gonna check the news. But we're gonna be watching the 15-minute time frame for now on the indices chart. So we're gonna check the news now. We got news at 2 p.m. So I think a trade in the morning. So the morning trade will probably be very viable. Here we have a sweep of liquidity. So I guess this is like a valid trade here, honestly. Market maker buy model we're forming. Sweep of liquidity. We formed a little breaker block since we took out this low and then or this one too. So yeah, it's a little breaker block. I'm gonna put on the last stop close candle there. We tapped up into it. Now we're rallying, and then we had that inversion for value gap right here. You can see we closed above, then we came back down. We dropped into it. Here we have another inversion fair value gap right here on the 5-minute, and if we close above it, then that'll be a good indication that we are going to continue rallying. Even though you will probably have to need a market structure shift. This would kind of be your market structure shift, the breaker. If you measure the range here, like an OTE range, you can see we never came back down. I think Euro did probably, but Euro I don't think it ever really formed that. So we're gonna see this is the breaker here since it took out this low right here. And you can see, yeah, Euro never just came and created that. So GU would probably see, you see how much further Euro is up than GU. GU would probably be the better trade idea here for us to continue rallying. I would want to see us come back down a little bit further, but if we don't come back down there, that's gonna tell me we're extremely bullish, and I'll just probably catch like a hit on the order block maybe, and then take the trade. I guess I wouldn't be too against it, honestly. I just see us upside movement. Yeah, if we close above this right here, if we don't come back down, so if we come and we close above this high right here, then I'll just want to see a little tap and then we go up, because we don't have to come back all the way down here. That would tell me we're extremely bullish. The change in state of delivery already happened, and we most likely won't get that. So that's kind of why I wouldn't be too inclined against. So we got 4 minutes too, so I'm just waiting for this candle. We got all these inversions. If we measure the range here from this high to this low, let's see, we are coming near equilibrium. Again, I wouldn't want to take a trade near equilibrium. I would want to wait for us to come back down and then take the trade right here and then higher, or maybe right here too. I wouldn't mind that. Just anything near equilibrium wouldn't really catch my eye, or anything above it either. Anything up here, a little breaker here. We're already using that, I guess. I just want to see us to catch up to Euro. Euro is very strong, so we have a big sell sign balance here on GU, and you can see we're tapping it right now, and we're not reacting too well. That's kind of why I just want to see how we can get that inversion on the 5-minute and then go higher. This one already ran up. This one took out buy side too, though. That's kind of why we're weaker on this one and this one. We hit that sell side balance on the daily, then we started dropping. This one just big imbalance right here. You can see that this one doesn't have anything. It's like more of an immediate rebalance. You can see we tap back up and then we rallied. So I'm just gonna be watching this. Why is it my stream doesn't show me my chat real quick? I don't know if people are chatting. I'm sorry, guys. It's not showing me anything for some reason. When I go to web, manage, warning, stream score and bitrate lower than recommended. Alright, there we go. I can see chat. Yeah, sells on GU or higher buys. Price held 30-minute fair value gap at bottom of trend. I don't really use the 30-minute, but I mean, I don't know where it would be at. Let's go look at the 30-minute. 30-minute fair value gap. Price held 30-minute fair value gap. This one is probably talking about this one. Just holding it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Nah. Yeah, I don't know. Wouldn't know. All the way to the left. Let's go see this one right here. First had your cursor, so probably around here. It's kind of the only way I see it. So let's go back to the 5-minute. Euro never has that. Euro never had that. So let's clear some T here. G looks a lot weaker. So we're gonna be chilling here. So 1 hour we had that big south center balance. 4 hour we're on a buy center balance here, so I just want to see, since we already took this out, I'm gonna want to see if we hold this. I mean, we already took all these relative equal highs out right here, and this one, but we never reached back up into this. While Euro has, so you already took this out. You see that and took all this out. I don't know if you would have anything there. I don't think so. Only imbalance really. It's probably the daily one that I'm watching here. I want to see if we continue up. I wouldn't be too inclined for that. But the 1 hour one is kind of like an inversion now since we did close below it. So I'm gonna be watching that still, seeing if we continue to rally. For Euro, I mean GU, I want to see it catch back up. I wouldn't be too against it if we rally up here, honestly. Target some form of buy side, probably these up here, these or equilibrium. NQ, we're still rallying. This one, let's put this right like that. So we're still rallying. It's on the 1 hour SMT. So if we come back down to the breaker one more time, that's to me, you know, it's gonna seem like we're kind of bearish. If we come tap this and then we leave the range, that would be really good to me. Honestly, I wouldn't want to see us fill like the lower quadrant of this since we already hit the breaker. So probably leaving like the other, like the 50% down here open, and then just tapping this, having an institutional order flunger drill, and then we rally. And then probably close above here. That would be a really good indication we're bullish, because we had that 15-minute inversion. So we already inside of it. We dug inside of it, like way past consequent encroachment. I don't think we should dig any deeper. You know, I think we need to catch up to Euro, and if we don't get that, then I just expect us having lower prices on both. I just see Euro dropping for sure then, if we don't get that for GU, because this one is, I think this one already completed the market maker model, so it wouldn't be too bad if we just start dropping. And we had a buy side imbalance here, so I'm gonna mark that out with a different color. We're gonna do that. We're gonna see if this one gets held. So we tapped into it. Now we're gonna see if we're gonna rally. GU, I want to see if we continue rallying. Same thing with GU. Even if we don't tap this, that's a really good indication to me that we're gonna continue up. So we have news at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna be watching that. Usually, Fed Chair Powell. Yesterday he talked and nothing really happened. So I'm gonna just see if nothing happens today. I don't usually trade PM session on forex pairs, but for the indices I usually do. So I'll be watching to see. You know, I'll try to be out if I do take a trade here on the forex pairs. But for the indices, I'm gonna try to be in and out if I do take a trade for a PM session. It's all low resistance being built up right now. For the indices, again, just low resistance. This would be my final terminus here. Clean as day. This one high resistance, but I'll still target that. Clean as day. This one's just very high resistance. It's just all low resistance for this one. Go to the 15. We have nothing there. We only have this balanced price range that we created, and we just push price above it. 1 hour we had this little order block, the 4 hour order block. So it's like a propulsion block here, this one, and we're gonna mark that out. We're gonna see if we can hold it. It's on the 1 hour. I want to see if we continue up to that sell sign balance. That's kind of what I was trying to aim for this whole week, if we were gonna be bullish. So let's see if we hold that, and I'm gonna mark out this little inversion for value gap, or a little BPR if you want to come back down and push up. Since we did take out this right here, this is like your internal range of liquidity. If we don't hold this, then I just see us coming down, probably using these PD rates to come target some form of sell side. This right here and this right here. Those two would be my targets. For this one, probably right here, first target, and then all these relative equal lows down here. If we don't hold this buy side balance. The other one didn't. The other one had an inverse of BPR. I mean, this one doesn't. So we're gonna be seeing that. This one did hold it. We tapped into it. This one doesn't have. So if this one was to drop, this would be like more of a clean breaker here. If we close below this clean breaker, I would see lower prices coming. This one, not really. It would kind of be like an order block to me. So 15-minute time frame. Again, now another balanced price range. 1 hour. This one does have another propulsion block here. So I'm gonna be wanting to see if we can just continue up. Clear as day, you know. We can just continue up. For this one, my objective here will probably have to be the previous day high. That's kind of my short-term objective. Another one would probably have to be up here, these highs. So that buy side up there, that would be another objective here, honestly, for the end of the season. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So GU's tapping into that. we're gonna see if we start to have that push up now. If we don't, then that means we're gonna be bearish. We're gonna use this as a bearish means. But if we do rally, then that's a good indication to me, honestly. So yeah, this would be institutional order for entry drone. Now I want to see this push up and use this close above this right here. So like this, we tapped into it. Now we're gonna have to rally up, close above this right here. We can come back, tap it into it, and then eventually start to rally, close above this one right here, or close above this high, and then come back, tap into it, and then see equilibrium of the range. Probably start digging deeper, like Euro USD, and then catch back up, and then it doesn't have to complete it. We can just retrace after hitting another PD array and then drop. But again, dollar is more bearish to me, so it just seems to me that we are likely to drop, probably come down to equilibrium here for this one. So I see the forex pairs going up. I wouldn't be against it. Dollar is more of a bearish right now for me, so you got to be patient here, seeing how dollar is dropping. Just let it do its thing, be patient. There's no news this morning, so it might be low volume. Same thing with EU. I want to see this continue rallying, probably reaching that previous day high, even though, yeah, I want to see this reach that previous day high. And for GU, we already reached it, so I see this one just being a little bit slower, a little bit more laggy. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna draw this out a little bit more. So yeah, I don't want to see this one continue dropping. I want to see this push up more. In the C's, we have a little volume balance forming there, so we have a little volume imbalance inside this big buy center balance. So that is seeming like we're just a little bearish. I want to see if we come down and tap this. I want to see how we start to fluctuate. We are digging into this one. It seems like yesterday we were trying to trade this. Yesterday shit was crazy. It wasn't the best trades. It was right here for this one. This one was worse. This one was way worse than in Q, honestly. I stopped out around here, so it would have hit our final target, and I think it would have been worth it, but just not holding, just holding there in high resistance, I guess, just holding the trade in general. I need to start holding. I need to start it was really just the stop loss placement, but like holding trades, I need to start doing that more. I want to, like ICT talked about this, you got to start holding trades. You got to be uncomfortable with the discomfort and grow in the uncertainty. So like I want to hold trades, not really like a swing trade or a position trade, but more of like just like holding a trade, like cutting like 90% or 80% off at my final terminus and just leaving like the rest to run and move with my stop loss and profit. So I wouldn't be too inclined, Holding trades is kind of like underrated. It builds your patience. Having patience is going to be built up here if you hold trades. I think it's a really good thing I need to practice on, honestly. I need to open Discord. I forgot to open up the Discord, boys and girls. Boys and girls. Let's see this one. We're still tapping up into it. We're digging deeper into the volume, the balance price range. Doesn't look too good for GU, honestly. I mean, if we close inside of it, that's still good. But I mean, I didn't want to see us tap into like equal consequent encroachment. That wasn't a good indication to me. It just seems very bearish to me. See dollar, Dix, yeah. Euro USD is dropping. Dixie's going up. So I'm gonna want to see how we react to this. since Dixie's pushing up. I wouldn't want to see Dixie close in the next 30 seconds, 40 seconds above this. That would be I'll be leaning more bearish, I guess. You know, that'd be like an inversion, change in state of delivery. That would be a good indication to me. I guess because we took out these lows, we're starting to retrace. So that is kind of natural. I just would want to see more of a distribution, not accumulation for longs like this right here. I guess this is kind of, I don't know. We're still close to the buy side of balance, sell side of balance. I mean, near equilibrium. All these lows resting. You know, I need to see us drop further. That's kind of why. So we printed another candle there, and we're still inside the range. We just closed a little bit above. It's a little volume imbalance for dollar index. I wouldn't want to see us distribute lower, close below this sooner. For the forex pairs, we're using this as an inversion for Euro USD. To me, that doesn't look good. I think we're gonna be dropping sooner, maybe. Probably to equilibrium with this range. GU, we're kind of holding this. Doesn't look too bad on GU, but if we do close like in the next this candle right here below this, then I'll probably go and see if I can take some shorts on Euro USD. If we close below this too, bearish candles and uptrend are getting disrespected right now. So if we come back close below this, then an up close candle, I'm going to use it as a means to sell. The sell program started. This one sell program started too. Look at that. We're having this right here. We're forming like a big 15-minute sell center balance here. 1 minute we closed below this and we came back. See a little order block here forming. So the balance price range was really respected. It created like 3 fair value gaps. So yeah, I don't see us coming back up here. Maybe forming another sell center balance, and then dropping. That's kind of what I see. NQ disrespected it, I bet, really nicely. Oh, NQ didn't. So you can see that we opened up 930, worked all the way up. Now we're better close below it. I wouldn't want to see NQ close below. GU is dropping, so it doesn't look good to me. I would probably take some shorts from Euro here. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I want to see us close below here on Euro. Close below there, that'll be a good indication to me, honestly. I'm talking about right here, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this right here would be a good indication. If we close below GPB-USD, we tap into that breaker. Let me see if we close below this inversion. That would be bearish to me. Let's see dollar. Chart takes forever to load. Dollar, I think we're just gonna continue up. Probably come back into a area. Yeah, we're just dropping on these. I want to see NQ close below this soon. SPX, we haven't reached our target here for sell side liquidity. So right there, that line. And we're gonna measure the range here again. We're already hitting equilibrium. This one is still yet to equilibrium, I believe, or maybe it already did. Yeah, probably already did, yeah. So if we disrespect, yeah, I think we're disrespecting. We're just dropping on this one. So you can see NQ took a while. It was the lagger, and then this one was the one that dropped relatively quickly. And now NQ is catching up, so it's pretty good. Forex pairs, if we don't close inside of this, then I just see us continuing to drop. And we're going to come back, revisit it as a means to push price lower. This one is respected right now, so we are doing pretty well. These, forming ourselves on a balance here. We're rallying. I want to see if dollar's still inside of this. I just really want to see how dollar starts to fluctuate around this area. I want to see if we can drop down and then probably catch a long on GU maybe if we continue to hold this. EU, not really. I think we're already more of a completed the market maker model, and we're already inside that imbalance here on the daily one. We're already at the above. I guess this would be your highs, your target if we want to continue. As of right now, not really for me. We already got this inversion, so I think we're just gonna be dropping relatively sooner on euro. I'm gonna measure the range here for sure. So this low, this high, measuring the range. Probably this right here. I'll probably see if we can just start dropping to that, and then probably start to retrace maybe. For euro, dollar. I think I want to see a push price higher than start dropping for sure. Kind of what I'm getting at. Like right here would be a good area to just start reversing, start seeing the shorts come back in. The bearishness. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get a trade here on this one. Honestly, probably this right here would be the best. Seeing this up close candle. Come back up, tap into that, and then we drop further. Take out these lows, and then these right here, relative good lows. Even then, if we take these out before, I don't think we're likely to come back up here. Probably like an institutional or furniture drill if we come back up after taking out these lows. Like a little imbalance we create. Same thing with this one. I already took this out, so it just, to me, it just seems clear. Took out an area of south side below equilibrium. Yeah, it doesn't look clear to me. GU still holding this, so that's a good indication to me, honestly. But I just don't like how we came and took this low out. Let me see. I think we did. No, we didn't. So the low of this would be 22,646. The low of this would be 22,460. So we just created relatively good lows. That's even worse to me. That's just a draw, straight draw right there. Just dropping again. I don't even think we're gonna come back down to. I mean, up here. I don't see us coming up there anymore. I see us just dropping. It's clear as day. Clear as day. This one too. This one would probably offer a better trade. Motion blocks inversed as of right now. Dollar, I mean, we're dropping on that. This one we're rallying. So let's go and see now. So yeah, now we're just waiting. I feel like GU is going to take out those relative good lows. It seems to me. If we don't, then I think we're going to continue up. Dun, 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 dun. Dollar dropping. I want to see these rally, man. See everything rally. All the forex pairs. Starting to push up. It's really indecisive right now. The market is really indecisive. So dollar's going up now. That means these were forex pairs going to have to drop. Again, we're just bouncing inside that. This one is starting to drop. This one's starting to hold. This one's just dropping. Damn, that shit's pumped, and then pumped even further now. Yeah, it just doesn't look like a good trading day today. Let's see if we close below for this one. Hey. Uh. EA Sports. It's in the game. I'm just pumping. Look at that. Even though dollar closed, I don't even know what's going on anymore, man. It's crazy movement. Like really indecisive, honestly. It goes up, it comes back down. It goes up, it comes back down. That shit is crazy. We're leaving the range now on GU. It's a really good indication to me. Damn, this shit continues. I think we're gonna go to the moon. We're gonna go to the moon, boys. We're gonna go to the moon, boys. So we're just gonna see. Come up here, maybe. Start to reject, maybe? Question mark. We'll add alerts here. And then for Euro USD, honestly, this is pretty shit. This one's pretty shit. This one looks a lot better, honestly. I want to see this close above this. Good indication. I'm gonna take these off. Put this right there and this right here. Just keeping the chart cleaner, cleaner. Market structure shifting below these lows. Again, institutional furniture drill right here. Probably if we get one, that'd be really good. Same thing for this one. I would want the institutional furniture drill right here. That's black, right? Okay. I'm adding an alert for both. Institutional furniture drill. I want to see that tap and then drop. Euro just pumping. This one's pumping too. It's a clean indication to me. I want to see this continue. I don't think we need to stop here, you know. We got the momentum. Keep it going, boys. Keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. So we're getting there. I want to see 75% of the range here. I think that would be a good indication. See where reversals can be too. So I guess the quadrant here would be another one. So I guess, yeah, it's near an order block, not a breaker. Order block. So again, those two areas probably be a confluence for me. See lower prices. We never get an institutional infantry for these. See the chat. Got stopped out before the huge bearish move. Predicted an AMD, then got stopped out. Are you live trading this? Am I live trading right now? Probably for the forex pairs. Indices, I don't think I would see a live trade. Even if we come back up and tap into the institutional infantry drill, I just don't see us taking a trade here. Because we're already below equilibrium. I wouldn't want to take a trade here. Forex pairs, if we hold above here, then I'll kind of be in it. Dollar needs to drop more. I want to see dollar reach the equilibrium right here. So I want to see dollar continue to drop, close below these lows maybe. That would be a good indication. First indication here. Just continuing to drop, honestly. That would be my. I'll continue maybe see a trade idea for him. So again, yeah, just reaching standard deviation area number 2, 2.5. Seeing us continue to drop. That'd be to me that would be a good indication to take a forex trade. Not for euro, probably for GU. If I'm being honest. GU's like a lot weaker here, so it's gonna have to catch up more. Euro, you can see Euro already completed more of the market maker model, while GU still hasn't. It's still 4 minutes, so I would want to see more of a completion here. It's coming up here maybe. But this one did take out the previous day high though. That's kind of why this one never really did create a relative equal highs. So I'm waiting to see if we catch up for that one, and then once that happens, I would probably be seeing this one probably like inside the range. That's why I drew these two. Probably this range right here will probably stop because Euro will probably be up there already. 5 minute fair value gap held, and GU held nice. 5 minutes, this one right here probably. Yeah, everything held pretty nicely, honestly. Credit relative equal lows though, so I just see this coming back down later on. As soon as we start dropping, maybe. So I'm gonna just be a little more patient here. And yeah, no, just wait. See if we can continue rallying. Dollar continuing to drop. That'd be a good indication. Why is my chart so slow, man? For SPX, which is, I just see us reaching this right here, maybe. I see us reaching this, not even coming back up into this range. All this was balanced again, like I see we'll talk about. All this is a balanced price range, back and forth delivery. I don't see us coming back up into this area here. Like nowhere around here. We can probably come into here, but I wouldn't want to see come into here. So yeah, same thing for Nasdaq, just up here, even right here, you know. But we're already in there, so this would be more probable to me. This right here, honestly, it's more probable. It's like a balanced price range. I wouldn't want to see anything come up because we traded down, we came back up, and then we traded down again. This, you know, we traded down, then we came back up, then we traded down. So I guess yeah, that's another one too though. I would just prefer the upper half because that's where we usually to likely be. My nose is not running. I need to get more water too. I need to. Did I write down my task for today? I need to do that. So yesterday I didn't complete majority of my task, even though I needed to. What is November 9th? So yeah, November 9th. I gotta complete my task today. Yesterday I was supposed to reach a certain episode on ICT's video, but I never did. Or on this playlist. November 9th. Objectives. I'm doing monk mode and I'm doing like my objectives, like what I need to do. So that's pretty good. So we're forming here another buy center balance. On the 1 minute, we're just dropping redelivery. Pretty nice. I guess I would have liked to see more of a stab down to form a breaker. Then we close above that. I think that would push price a lot further up. This one created like an order block though, so I would have liked GU to make more of a breaker here, and then start to accumulate higher for sure. This one is more of a lagging one, I would say. So we're just gonna we're gonna write our objectives. I'm gonna add another episode, reach 103, reach EP 103. Reach EP 103, 23 mentorship, and then what else would be another one? Read a page. I trying to read a page 230, but I was on chapter. What chapter am I on? I hit another chapter earlier. I'm on chapter 11, so I'll probably reach chapter 13. Reach chapter 14. That's my goal. Reach chapter 14. It's 261. So that's like 50 pages. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So, what other objective? I feel like I'm missing something right now that I need to do for this. Oh no, the weekly ones. Okay, yeah, no, not really. I have some nice objectives here that I need to reach. And then my monk mode protocols, my regulations, non-negotiables. I mean. So my non-negotiables. Alright, let's see this right here. So we have a little fair value up here that formed. That's pretty nice. If we come back down, I'll take a trade into it. Oh, we already are, I think so. I missed it. If we stab a little bit deeper, I guess I'll get another. I don't think we will though. That's like an institutional order flincher drill. We just barely tap in, then we rally. If we get that, then I think it's a good indication we're gonna rally. So I probably won't be able to take a trade. I would have won as soon as. Damn, I'm a little late, honestly. As soon as I got done writing down my objectives. So I'm not gonna be able to take a trade here for my FCMO account. I don't even want to look at the indices anymore. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna get there. Probably for NQ, not ES. ES is just complete the range on ES, then NQ is bound to do it. But I just don't even want to risk it. Forex pairs just look a lot better. You see how GUs continue to rally while, EUs continue to rally while EU is a little bit lagging. You can see that. So I want to see us reach equilibrium of that range, and then after that happens, I guess just do whatever we want. We can do whatever. It doesn't bother me. But we are rejecting. Right there, we rejected it. Dun, 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 dun. 15 minutes. Let's put the 15 minute. I forgot about the 15. 15. We have like a little order block there. I guess we never tapped up into it. So if we come back down, I think I wouldn't be too inclined against that. Or this one right here, maybe. On the 5 minute, it's clear. It's clear as day. This one right here. I think the 15 minute would have more confluence. So I would use this one right here. I'm gonna make this like that. We'll take this off here now since we reached equilibrium. This one, I think we've been past that, so we're just gonna chill. We're gonna chill here on these. So yeah, little bro, we're gonna chill, little bro. This one is like it's like a more of a on the 15. It looks like more of a order block here. We're still above that. I want to see you use that as an inversion, and we continue pushing price for like in the buy program. I want to see us just keep rallying. I don't want to see us come back down any further, especially if we want to disrespect this. I think we're gonna complete this up here in the market maker model, or come to 75%. That's why I drew that. So just rally and continue to rally. Honestly, use this as like an inversion, and then probably consolidate around in there, and then start to accumulate more longs and go higher. So yeah, it's a nice movement for GU. I want to see us continuing. I'm gonna get some water, and oh yeah, I think I'm gonna get some water. So yeah, peace. I'll be back. Stay. I'll move on. $11:30? 10:59. Oh, 11:59 right. Wait, for what time? Central time? Yeah. Or it could be New York time. Niggas already fucking
playing right now.
Yeah.
Niggas are playing right now and shit.
Like Europe and stuff.
Yeah, they were saying some nigga was saying to change your settings to your location to New Zealand and you'll be able to play.
Yeah.
Just download it and you'll be able to play.
Yeah. You gotta wait though. To give you the full experience in the NA servers.
I gotta play that bitch tonight, nigga. At a fucking nigga, it's way better playing at night, nigga. Like waiting for it.
Yeah. And
So like 11ish and then hopping on, nigga.
that's when all the sweats are on. All the sweats are gonna be on. They're ready.
Nigga, all the sweats are on right now, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Nigga, all the chill niggas and shit. They gonna be playing till tomorrow because that's a fat ass update. They're probably all working right now. They don't even know.
Yeah.
Or they already got it downloaded for just playing tonight and shit. They're like, oh, I'm at work, babe. Go on my Xbox and fucking update my shit. They probably be FaceTime. This how you do it. This how you do it.
You want to pet you? Good girl, good girl, good girl. Good, good. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Good, good. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Alright. Don't bark no more, alright? Don't bark no more at me, please. Stop. So we're still inside of that inversion fair value gap. Again, like I said, we're going to use this as a means to push price higher. I don't want to see this come down below that consequent encroachment. All right. Or, I mean, close below. I want to see this continue to stay above it inside of this range, this quadrant, the premium range. Come back down to a discount. I would want to see like a tap and then rally, or create like a fair value gap, then we come down, tap into it, then we rally. For GU in Q, yeah, ES. I just see it's coming down here maybe. Clear as day. This one, same thing, clear as day. Just, oh, this one. Whoa, 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 whoa! I didn't see that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Let me take this off real quick. Whoa, that is mad. That is mad. Why isn't this showing? Show it, right? Whoa, that is mad. NQ is just pumping up, bro. Damn, that is crazy. What happened here? Damn, that shit is wild. I'm not trading this shit. This shit is crazy, bro. ES is gonna have to catch up now if you really want to follow NQ. Follow your brother to where you gotta go. That shit is crazy. I didn't see that. Oh my goodness. NQ is just, whoa. Whoa, that is quick. That was quick on NQ, honestly. I would have like seen this right here. I would have been like, whoa. That's why I didn't. Good thing we didn't take an institutional feature there. That's, again, guys, that's why I don't want to enter a trade near equilibrium. Entering a trade near equilibrium is like the riskiest thing you can do if you have a range. You know, like you want to be shorting or buying. I mean, you want to be going long and discount, going long and premium. I mean, shorts. You don't want to ever enter a trade near equilibrium. That's what can happen here. So you enter a trade here, boom, you get stopped out. Like, that's just the worst. You want to be entering right here. If you want to go long, enter in this lower quadrant of this half right here. That's the best longs right here. Best shorts are up here. You don't want to be entering near right here. You know, that's like the worst side. We're rallying on these. Oh my goodness, we're just pumping up. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful delivery. Beautiful delivery, bro. Oh my goodness, beautiful delivery. Just beautiful delivery. This one gotta catch up. Come on, hurry up. Catch up, catch up. Take out the market maker model already. Come on. Beautiful delivery, bro. Shit is gorgeous. This is gorgeous delivery, honestly. It's gorgeous delivery, honestly, bro. Like, beautiful delivery. I want to see this continue to rally. GU is like stabbing into that imbalance here, right here. Let me text my girl real quick. Text my girl real quick. If I text her this morning, she's mad at me and shit. It's already 9 o'clock for me. La di do, la di da. I gotta finish this book this week, bro. I've never read a book a week, bro. That shit is crazy. That shit is like so. I don't know how to explain it. It's like really hard. Like, it just puts you to work, bro. Like, put your brain to work. And like, if you like miss a day, like for monk mode, if you miss a day, you basically have to restart. Like, you get no exceptions. For me, it's like my non-negotiables have 4, but I also have like other things that I'm. So like I have the 3 stars. 3 stars are like the non-negotiables. I have to do this every single day. If I miss a day, I restart. Second stars, like they're like important, but they're not as important as 3 star. 1 star, like it's the least important, but you gotta follow it. You still gotta do it. But you don't have to. If you miss a day, you don't have to restart for that. It's like the 1 stars are like simple stuff. Let me see. Like 1 star, it's like my book review. Doing a book review. Another 1 star would be like 50 push-ups. Doing 50 push-ups. Like those are like 1 stars. 2 stars. What's the 2 star here? Water only. Waking up every day and going to sleep every day at the same time. That's 2 star. I gotta do that, but it's important, but not as important as the other ones. Like journaling daily, studying daily, or reviewing notes daily. That's another one. Meditation daily. That's another one. And then another 3 star would be reading daily. Oh, I think I already said that. So reading daily, journaling, studying, or reviewing notes, and then meditation. Those are my non-negotiables. And then charting, I was gonna put it as one of them, but it's not an everyday thing. Charting is like weekdays only, so I was not gonna put that in there. And then yeah, just no drinking, no smoking, nothing. Not too much social media, and then like no pornography or anything like that. To cleanse our body and brain, really. I'm not on Twitter. I unsubscribe to a lot of people on YouTube. I just don't watch a lot of people no more. Not any more traders. It's really just like you don't have to watch me, honestly, too. But if you're learning something, then that's when you have to watch. But if you already know what you want, you already know how to trade, I don't think you should watch, honestly. You shouldn't watch anybody. You should just learn from your trading. There shouldn't be anything that you need other than experience. If you're unprofitable, and that's kind of what I noticed. Just like not trading, not following other traders is kind of sometimes beneficial. You're not worried about what they're doing, how they're trading, what model or strategy they're using. You're not comparing yourself either. So it just stunts your growth a lot more if you are doing that. If you're comparing, watching, and just not learning. Only trader I think you should be watching from is ICT, the king, the goat. I shouldn't say that. He's gonna get mad, but just the mentor himself. Just learning from him, continuing to learn, develop. So if we don't hold this here, I think we're gonna continue to drop now and probably form a market maker sell model, which is probably the top. If we do hold, I think we're gonna continue up. Probably on the hourly, we're gonna reach some form of I don't know. It seems like we're just gonna complete the market maker model. To me, it just seems really, really likely to me. Even if we come drop, we disrespected equilibrium multiple times. We're gonna form like even if we come down here, I think nah. I would probably take a long here, but I just wouldn't want to see us hold above equilibrium now. Since we rallied up so much, I want to see us hold. There's like no point of coming back down to a discount. Just staying above in a premium and wanting to complete the market maker model will probably be the best option here. But it's Thursday. Yesterday created what was Wednesday? Yesterday was Wednesday, right? Yesterday created the low of week Wednesday. I just don't want to see us come down below Wednesday's low for now. And I do want to see us hold above equilibrium, continue to rally. That would be a really, really strong indication here for me. And then for what else? Yeah, for this one too, just hold. This one is a lot weaker, so I wouldn't want to see this one come up, push a lot more. See a lot more movement from this one than the other ones. That's pretty much it. Not too complicated, honestly. What do y'all? My chat's chilling right now, man. I don't do this for the streams, guys. I do this for. I'm sorry, I'm texting somebody. I do this for the screen time, building that experience up, and then I'm able to review it. Watch it. That's kind of why I stream. I think if you don't build screen time up, and then I can review this during the weekend. I can review this during the weekend and watch this and like learn from like things I'm doing wrong or things I missed. Just review it, jot it down on a piece of paper or my notebook, and then just like go over it, I guess, or like try to catch myself, like catch the thought, basically, like be, how do I explain it? Like be objective, like lifetime, I wrote down the mistake. I know why I wrote down the mistake, and I'm just gonna try to catch myself like live whenever I'm doing it, I guess. Like being have that mental clarity. Fuck, I forgot the word. It was like conscious, yeah, being conscious, being consciously aware of my flaw, and then just trying to work on it live trading. That's kind of why I like streaming, because I'm able to review a lot of stuff, like what I could have done, what I could have improved on, and just day by day, seeing that improvement, seeing my model form, seeing myself trade those models, and just being accustomed to them, and like getting the feel for these markets here that I trade. I don't want to be looking at anything else when I'm live trading, or like having that New York session open. I don't want to be looking at any other markets. These are the markets I like and the ones I'm more accustomed to, and just like streaming and just building that growth for the trades and just like my trading in general. So yeah, this one dropped. This one, what the freak, man? NQ is just weird. This one, this is too short of infantry drill. It's outside. I told you we're gonna reach this. We're gonna reach it really soon, right around sometime right now. I think we're just gonna stab into it and come further. Probably take out these. This is a new day opening gap. Let's see where the new day opening gap. Probably come down to there. It's like near the, yeah, it's near the new day opening gap. I just see us coming back down. Probably like starting to bounce around here, consolidate. So it's not too bad. This one, we're gonna reach it too. I want to see where the new day opening gap is. This one's below it, so maybe we come down further for NQ. Euro, we're using this as an inversion while GU is respecting it, so it's clear SMT. Euro looks a lot weaker now, while GU looks a lot stronger. So I don't want to see GU start holding price. Just continuing to rally, honestly. Wouldn't be too bad. For formal market maker small model here, I wouldn't be too inclined to. I'll just trade both sides of the range. I wouldn't even be against that. Trading both sides of the range sometimes is pretty easy if you know what you're doing. I want to try that. I need to start trying that. So if we don't hold consequent encroachment of that, especially being inside this inversion, I just see us coming down. It's clear as day. We're gonna come down if we don't hold this. Even if we don't, let's draw the little line here. Show you guys. If we don't hold that, we close below. It's just clear as day. We're gonna drop. Maybe here, or maybe down here. Who knows? Maybe it'd be. I think it'll be equilibrium. That range there we have created. So yeah. Just being patient here. Just forging our discipline and patience. Hourly, we seem to be forming a fair value gap. I'm watching this on the MT4 chart. We're inside another fair value gap here on the hourly, on the 30-minute. Significant inversion. Hourly, we're still yet to close above this SIBI. So we're watching that on the GU 15. We're creating We already created an inversion. We're just tapping back into it on the 15th. So I think we're gonna rally soon on GU. I want to be against the rally, honestly. To be impatient and waiting for that to happen. Indices, I don't even know if I want to look at them. SPX already took that out, like we are stating. Took out this low. We dug deep. NQ took it out too. So I want to see Euro. Euro, if we don't hold this, then I guess maybe a little bearish. 15 doesn't look bearish at all. 5 minute. Hourly doesn't either. So just a 5 minute looks bearish because we closed below this. And GU looks a lot stronger here. I just want to see GU rally. Has all the confluences on the higher time frame and the lower time frame for us to rally to continue up. So yeah, just waiting. So yeah, we're just waiting for it to rally. Just being patient. Watching the 5 minute. I don't even drop to the 1 minute no more if I'm in row. Just holding. Just watching this, watching the price action. Watching the candle fluctuate. Pretty sweet, honestly. Watching these live candles form is pretty crazy. Gives you a good overview. I want to listen to some like actual music though. I'm tired of hearing this lofi music. I want to just like jam out. Let's move fucking for everything. Money is in everything. Good time. Sell every time. I'm gonna go on Discord on my phone. I usually don't like. I'm only pulling it up on stream. I'm not able to see it fully. AMD fair value plus what I got by probability order block looked really good. Forgot. Higher time frame bullish trend. Turned in my direction right after I stopped out. Now hit all my TPs, but never looked back. Cause inside. Eyelids. I'm gonna go see Twitter one time. Cause I know Romero's going crazy right now, I bet. He's probably going crazy. Like, oh, crypto bull run, blah, blah, blah. I wanna see. All the bears are gonna get hurt, maybe. What is this? Let's go see. I guess that's why you gotta know like the economic state of the world too. You can't just rely on the price charts. That's kind of why I've been reading more about the Fed and what they're doing. Let's go to BTC. Right here. We're just pumping up. You see, we pumped up here. Big pump, bro. Big pump, big pump. On the daily, on the weekly, too. Everything. On the monthly, we're on that monthly SIBI there. Shit. We have a little monthly fair value performing. I would want to see it come down and push up. If we close above this, I would want only if we close above the monthly SIBI. If we close above the monthly SIBI and then we come back down, I'll take longs even further. I'll take the shorts all the way down there too. This is the area he was looking at for shorts. Our bearish prices, he wants these to be created. He wants us to drop and then come down here. But we are pretty much just continuing to rally. Damn, I need to set up my I need to send money to my FMX account. I forgot. I got Tether waiting for me and stuff. I need to do it though sooner or later. Sooner or later, bars. That's something I need to do this week. I need as soon as I finish ICT this week. That's my goal. Fudge, I forgot I wrote this. That's my goal this week. Finish ICT, his mentorship, and then start my FMX account. So finish the 23 mentorship, and then set up my FMX account, and then finish book, and then upload videos on channel. So and start going on the prop firm. Start buying more prop firms after we pass this 10K and then the 15K, and then I don't know. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna use the restroom.
Stop. Sit.
Oh, alert got hit. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Why do I have my shoes on? It's weird, mad weird, bro. Let me just take this off now. So we're still there. Some lofi music, some garden music. My lower back is killing me, bro. Damn, this shit hurts. I'm not gonna lie, shit is aching. All right, let's go and I'm gonna take these levels off here. I think they're very insignificant since price already ran. We'll leave the equilibrium. We'll just leave the hard time frame. Wow, what the hell's my dog coming at me? So, we're just take off these levels. I don't see any point of having them any further, especially this one here for this range. already been completed. No point. Mi amigo. Alright, so we're gonna just clean this chart up, honestly. Alright. Dixie, same. Oh, we've reached the 2.5 target, so maybe we start retrace some of these. Yeah, I kind of see this. I kind of see this happening. Retrace maybe. Because Dixie reached the standard deviation areas. We'll take that off now. Take that. Take that. Take this. Were we inside the sell side balance here? We were the whole time, right? I am bug. Oh no, yeah, we were up here around 8:15. No, yeah, it wasn't too bad, honestly. So taking a previous day low. We're gonna start the retrace now. This is a 5-minute fair value gap inverse. We never came back up, and we're gonna see if we can come tap this and then probably short. Shorts will probably come in sooner. Clear market maker small model here. I'm gonna see if we can use this model here. Oh, I didn't mean to tap that. I forget. I didn't mean to tap that either. So come up, then drop. Come right here. Take out these relative lows right here first and foremost, and these, and then it's kind of all high resistance right here, and probably form a sell side imbalance right there. In 1 minute we probably have that. Yeah, we probably have a sell side imbalance up here, so I wouldn't be too inclined if we come back up here maybe, and then start to drop. So I'm gonna take this off right there. This is a really consequent encroachment, so yeah, I wouldn't be too inclined against that, honestly. I need to fix this right here. Inside, my darling, inside. Let's go and put this right here like that. Do you trade ICT models, or do you create your own? Did you create your own? I trade ICT models. Pretty much, yeah. What's up, Chino? How you doing, brother? Crypto bull run. I'm waiting for that. I'm kind of scared. I gotta set up my account soon. Look at that. That shit is just juiced up. This one's not really. It's dropping. This one's just pumping. I need more confirmation. Probably the 1 minute. I mean, the 1 day. Seeing how that forms. Seeing this right here, you know, clear as day. ETH, lower low. This one lower high. Let's go back down for 5 minutes. But the model I trade is, I displayed it I think multiple times on streams. I showed it multiple times on streams. If you don't know what it is, it's basically market maker X model with the 22 model. The 22 model would probably have to be, for me, so let's display it over here somewhere. Like, let's leave the price action there, but let's leave. So 22 model, like, we need a high to be created for bearish. This is like bearish right here. So like right here, I would have wanted a high created, and then we form like a intermediate area, and then we come up, take out that high, and then we drop. So we had a market structure shift. We had a liquidity sweep. It can be internal, it can be external, it doesn't matter. But even if it's internal, to me, sometimes it's valid. See a market maker sell model forming, then we come back up, we form a sell side imbalance or a fair value gap, and then we start dropping. That's my target, and then target equilibrium of a range that we would have. So like this right here, like equilibrium target, like right around here, you know, or something like this, like that. Maybe just make it a little further, honestly. Something like this, something like that. Something like this, something like that. Equilibrium of like that. Take like a partial there. I want to be shorting like inside of here. I don't want to be shorting near equilibrium. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I have my stop at the high. Target this first partial will probably be around here. Sometimes the risk reward is not there, sometimes it is. You know, it just really depends on how deep you are into a premium or a discount, and the range, I guess. And the higher time frame too, you know, provides a lot more context. And this would be your internal sweep right here, right there, and this would be your market structure shift. Sometimes you're not going to get a market structure shift. I mean, row. You're gonna have to have like an inversion fair value gap or a balanced price range that formed, and then using that as a PDA rate to enter, because sometimes you want to get a market structure shift, you know, like you want something like this. Sometimes you'll get that. That's kind of like high resistance liquidity runs, and you won't get a market structure shift there. So you have to enter like right on here. But if you want a market structure shift, you could probably wait till you get the market structure shift, and then, but majority of the time, if that happens, you won't probably get an entry. So that's kind of why I try to just use the change instead of delivery, even if it's not a market structure shift. Sometimes. So. Oh damn! EU already completed the AMD model. Was looking at it this during my lectures during London session. AMD model. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Should be your accumulation here, guys. Manipulation phase, distribution phase. The accumulation phase, I guess. You know. All right here, I guess. All right here. Accumulation is more like a balanced price range too. So like that's kind of why I view accumulation. Accumulation phases. I like using like a balanced price range like this right here, where you trade back and forth inside of a range. This would probably have to be my accumulation, like the whole accumulation phase right here, like this. Right, it's like a balanced price range. You come up, come down, we come back down, we come back up and then down. I mean, this is not really a balanced price range. A balanced price range would have to like have like back and forth movement. You need to go up and come down. It's not really a balanced price range to me. Balanced price range probably have to be like this right here. Came down, you went up. That's like a balanced price range, like back and forth delivery. This is more like, yeah, this is kind of more of like an accumulation phase, since all this right here, I guess, would be, I would use all this, honestly. It wouldn't be too bad. This would be your manipulation phase. This would be your distribution phase all the way up here. Just start getting that push up. You can get that like that. Yeah, just be a good AMD model. Wouldn't be too bad. Look straight at the buck on this, on the 1 minute, on the minute, the 5 minute, 15. AMD models like Power 3 basically. I don't know. To me, I don't use AMD. I use open, high, low, and close. Just trying to anticipate where the low and the high is going to be created. That's the only time I really use that AMD model. I don't really use it. I think I need to, even though I used to use it a lot. I really, my eye hasn't really been gravitating towards it, towards AMD. I like using Power 3 on the monthly too. Like seeing if the low's gonna be created there in London or the high's gonna be created. I guess like the weekly profile, daily profiles too. I guess that's kind of like my Power 3 or AMD. I don't really view the accumulation manipulation phases. I think it would be helpful though. That AMD with quarterly theory, or basically it is quarterly theory alignment. That would be very powerful, honestly. I don't see a day in my life where it isn't. So yeah, no, that's pretty much it. Let's see, SPX. We're still dropping. NQ is just really sloppy. SPX is just beautiful delivery here. I want to see if we can find anything. 4 hours, still hitting that 4 hour buy side balance. Taking out these lows, hitting a new day opening gap, maybe. Yeah, we were just marking that out earlier. Hourly candle. I don't really see anything on the hourly, honestly. Probably just these two up close candles with a little breaker. That would probably be my last straw here, probably like that. And then this right here, but I think we already came back. Yeah, already. I would have wanted to see, probably the lower time frame. You can see, yeah, it came back up, close, came back up. That's what I would have wanted. Big south side balance right here. Tap consequent encroachment. You can see that we tapped it perfectly and then dropped. That was beautiful delivery, honestly. And then we came down here. SPX just delivered it more precisely than NQ. NQ was just very sloppy to me. This one did, I guess, yeah, no, this one did come to equilibrium. That's kind of why I didn't want to take a trade. It was inside of equilibrium, but I guess you could have seen it on a higher time frame premise using that range. I guess this would have been a better range. Just seeing that, this would have been your equilibrium near them. That would have been a lot better. Just not using the 5 minute range. That would have been a lot more helpful. Either 15 would have provided more. And then same for NQ. This range right here. Nah, yeah, I think I marked it out wrong right here. Now we're hitting, yeah, all these relative lows were near equilibrium. Just not using this range. I was using this right here. So I guess that was a little mistake, I guess. That's why I didn't want to even trade it, because it was already consolidated around equilibrium. 15. Let's go to the hourly. I don't think we see anything on the hourly. We had that 4 hour order block. It's not even holding anymore. I think we're just too deep into a premium. for this one, especially on the sell side imbalance on the daily. And then we're taking out these. We're hitting near the opening gap. We hit it, I think, then we just start bouncing. So God's gonna crush one this wick would probably be a really good indication here if you want to come back up. But I want to see us close below this right here, these 3 up close candles, and then probably use it as a means to push, start the sell program. It would come back up, tap into it, and then drop. So 1 hour 15. This right here would be my target. If you want to continue dropping, I want to see that hold. 5 minute, it just gets sloppy on the 5 minute. I would probably stick on the 15. Euro dropping. These are dropping. This again for Euro. No, for Dixie we hit the standard deviation area. That was I think right here. Let's see, somewhere around there. I think it's a lot more clear on the 5 minute. So I think it was around here like that. Yeah. So hit the standard deviation areas. We start retracing. I don't think we're gonna go to 4. Maybe. I think we didn't hit equilibrium of the range. So I would want to see that. So maybe we have one more push lower. Probably later after the Fed chair Powell speaks. 5 minute we held this SIBI, or I mean the order block, 2 up close candles, and then the inversion, and like a BPR. We held it. We have another one forming right here. So we're just like in a clear sell program here. Up close candles are being respected in a sell program here. So yeah, just continuing to hold, seeing that hold. Afriquita, mi loquito, my broski Benito, Nita mi loquito, Afriquita. I just want to hold trade longer. I want to hold this trade longer. If I take a trade, I want to hold it a lot longer than the average expected trade to hold. I think the day's done for, honestly. I think until probably Fed Chair Powell speaks. Even if it's 10:30 right now, I think the day's done for the moves, especially for the indices. Probably we retrace, push up. That's kind of what I can see. If we push up here, hold the 4 hour buy side imbalance. Probably close inside of here, this little balance price range. Yeah, just stab into here, I guess, or use this order block, this little high probability order block for your ESPX. This one is like a big 4 hour buy side imbalance. Again, I just want to see the first one get tapped into. That's kind of more of my draw, so I wouldn't want to see this one come down further. But again, I wouldn't mind if we hold, because SPX is holding. So check out these lows. I want to see if we start to. I want to see if we hold the this right here, continue the sell program, or if we form a market maker buy model and then start pushing price higher, like right here, something like that. Take out the low internal with the external lows right here, and then yeah, no, we just start holding prices higher. But again, I just want that 15-minute order block here, right here, to be respected. So we're gonna continue lower. If not, then you know, I think we're gonna reach, come back up here maybe to the upper half quadrant of this. I think we're gonna close up in the upper half quadrant if we continue to push up and disrespect this for the day. So that's what I'm watching. SPX is a lot weaker. You can see that just dropped a lot smoother than NQ, and Q came back up one more time. And that was clear SMT. Clear SMT here. Or is it? Is this candle? It was this candle right here. You see that? This one right here. So clear SMT. I think you see on the 5 minute a lot better. So yeah, you see this right here pushed up. This one never did. So or was this one here? Something like that. SMT. SMT. I would have not taken trades on NQ even if we were dropping like that. I just wouldn't be comfortable, honestly. You know, that would throw me off a lot. These, I want to see these relative lows come back down, tapped into for now. You be patient here. Watch these charts. Euro, I think Euro's a lot stronger, so it needs to drop further rather than GU. Honestly, today's was more of a probability day where I wouldn't want to trade. We're dropping now. Very slow day. No too much volume. Coming back up again, like it's just coming back up and then drops. It's like low volume with low probability. I don't see us continuing on. Do anything right now. I feel like we're just gonna range bound. I need to trade my 10K account. I haven't touched it in a while, honestly. My MT4 account. I've been on the FTMO account. I need to touch my MT4 one, baby. My baby. I need to pass it already, man. I've done it for like, what, a month now straight. I need to pass it. Just start taking good trades, like the ones I've been taking on the FTMO. Take the jacket off. That's what I need to do. Goodness, I feel so much better. I feel so much free. So much more free. Alright, so we're just watching this here for him. 15. We don't really got anything on the 15. I want to see if the 15-minute candle closes. I would have wanted to see this closure. I guess that's kind of why we are retracing now. Never really got that. 1 minute. Came back up, pushed above this. I guess that would be in the mains. The push up. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We're still coming back into the inversion. GU looking a lot stronger than EU right now. You can just see that. 15. I get the hourly south side of balance, or the hourly still. I need to see how we close on this hourly chart. So I'm gonna mark this up. So I think if we could close above inversed, make it a balance, make it an inverse or balance price range, we'll come back up, tap, I'll go higher. So we're just gonna see this now. What's up, Gangy? What's up, Tusi? Not gonna lie, I took a long break on ICT because of school, but we making a comeback now. You gotta make a comeback for Thanksgiving break and then for Christmas, for your holidays. But it's been good, man. It's been improving really well on the trading. Just need to get into more of more crypto. So really, just chilling now on these. I see this one. I don't feel like we're not gonna hold that inversion for long. So we're just gonna continue to rally off of that 1 hour price out of balance. Even though we didn't hold it, I don't know if I would have taken shorts. Like if I was awake for this, I don't know if I would have. It would have just looked clear market maker model. Measure the range here. Would have saw that we were like inside discount, targeting highs or premium prices. This one, I'm gonna make this one not smaller. I don't know why it's so much bigger. Like that. There. You view the daily one, not that one. So we still got news at 2 o'clock. That's what I'm gonna be waiting for, honestly. That's it, really. We only got news at 2 o'clock. And then tomorrow, 10 o'clock. So tomorrow we'll see if we can have a. I don't even think we're gonna get a TGIF, honestly. I'd say it's over, honestly. But I'm gonna just be chilling. I'm gonna want to see more distribution. So yeah, we're just chilling now, honestly. I don't know if you hear that. You hear my nose? So we're just gonna chill. I'm just chilling on Clash of Clans right now. I gotta be attacking more. I gotta get my loot up. Probably end the stream here. Probably in like an hour or two, maybe. I just don't see us trading anymore. We're like trying to find a trade to do. I would follow crypto right now. Bro, it's like, for me, it's like 50-50. Everybody's like, I don't want to get, you know, on their side, but they're all saying, you know, bearish prices are coming. Other side is saying bullish prices, we're starting the bull run, you know, just like a 50-50. It's really hard to decipher what's actually going to happen. I guess just using your own intuition. So I'm just chill. I still need to set up my account. I have Tether on my other exchange, but I need to transfer it. I haven't done that yet, and I need to go to the bank too and buy more crypto and transfer it in there. I've been trying to be more. I've been trying to be dynamic. I want to swap between crypto futures and ES and NQ futures. So you trying to switch, or are you trying to trade like both? I can honestly see you trading both. Not a bad deal. Damn, I want to get this dark elixir. Trade both? Oh yeah, then that's not bad at all. Like I trade everything, bro. I'd rather swing trade crypto though right now. I think that's like the best bet for me. For my buck. I don't want to like intraday. I'll probably yeah, no. Position swing trade or intraday trade like hold it for like a couple hours. I don't spend more than 10-30 minutes on crypto a day. Damn, that's not bad. It's honestly not bad. majority of the time I spend on just indices and forex. That's the only time I'm looking at pairs in the market. Anytime else, I'm just chilling, cooking it up. I want to spend more time on just every market in general. But as of right now, I think my main objective here is to get funded. Of course, and be trading crypto, like swing trading it, but get funded like intraday trading, do intraday trading, and then probably expanding, like keep building my capital. Probably learn other skills, start hopping in other markets. After that's done, said and done. I just don't see us staying any longer, honestly. Why would we? We have everything down. I definitely know the hardest phase is trading is once you learn everything, you gotta get funded and trade on your own. Yeah, that's probably the hardest part. Just like being consistent, or that's kind of why I started monk mode too. You know, to just not be on social media as much, not do this, not do that. And just focus on my goals, my objectives, and do things I have to do every day, without nothing holding me back. You know, just doing the same thing every day, like reading, journaling. It's pretty boring. I won't lie. It takes up a lot of time once you start. Not when you're consistent, but like when you're building more, when you have to read more, study more, do this more. You know, do more online. The online sales will be fire. Being a sales rep, or you can do e-com. You can do whatever you want. Honestly, you have to just see a market. I guess you have to have one skill set, and then from one asset, and then transfer it, and get another skill set for another asset, marketplace, or whatever. You know. We'll see this right here. Inside that, this I think market maker buy model forming here on these. I don't want to trade them though, cause it's just not high probability for me right now. As long as you can last than anyone else and not quit, you'll succeed. That is true. As long as you keep it up. As long as you don't quit, that's the main thing. For a lot of things you do in life, you just don't quit. Having that time horizon, longevity is probably one of the most slept on things, you know. I think longevity is really slept on. Very important to have longevity, because if you don't quit, you don't know how successful you'll be, you know, in that span. Pues prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar, porque por la noche ya fui débil en evitar tu celular. Perdón, no me bajo, pero yo consistently journaling. Are you consistently in journaling are my two biggest baddest habits? Journaling has been really good for me. Been journaling a lot recently. I'm not gonna lie. All my dragons got eaten up. Oh my goodness. They got eaten up. So we're holding this 5-minute. NQ is coming up. 15 goes to 15 here. I want to see if we hold that. SPX 15 again too. That one too. GU, we're inside this 1 hour buy side. I think we didn't close. We're still inside of it. We're just range bound right here. That's kind of why I don't want to see a trade. Same thing with this range bound volume is dying down. I was on the 5 minute. 1 minute. So yeah. I haven't been journaling. That's not good, brother. Start journaling. Start reviewing your trades. See what you can do better. What you can do wrong. What you did wrong. If you did anything wrong. Your emotions. Just your day-to-day basis. Your habits. I've been journaling for like a while now. Since like the summertime, I think. And then I started journaling for monk mode. So I journal for like three things. One, my weekly trading. I journal that. I journal every day, like what I feel, what I did, and how I felt while doing it. And then the other one is for like my monk mode. You know, if I completed my regulations and how much effort that I put into that completing those tasks. Simple stuff like that. Just reminding myself, you can be better than yesterday. If you're not better than yesterday, then you're not improving. If you're not better than yesterday, you're not improving. That's what they say. That's what I've been trying to do, man. Just getting better and better. Cause, nah, it's been a long journey now. Honestly, I feel like I'm about to tiptoe. About to tiptoe by the end of this year. I feel it, bro. I just feel it. November's a hot month. I just feel like I've been improving so much. Like from what I see, from like last month to this month, it's a big difference, honestly. Like I don't know. It's hard to describe it. I don't know, because a lot of people don't. You aren't able to see your growth, unlike yourself. They aren't able to see it. You are, so you're the only one that can determine how far you've gone and how far you want to go. I just see it every day, streaming every day, journaling, meditating, reading, just improving my trading, just reviewing it, seeing what I can do better, and just sticking to the model I have now. Beautiful model, beautiful trades. It's everything about it is beautiful, honestly. Not a single thing is imperfect for me right now. Everything's it's lining up, it's according to plan. Got a smart scale a couple of weeks ago. It's not motivating to see my progress. And it's not motivating to see my progress. A smart scale. I don't know what that is, but I'll have to look it up right now. Smart scale. Like for food or what? It showed me food. I don't know if that's for food. Like tracking your food. Let's see. We're still holding that. Tracking weight and other stuff. Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. It was like showing how much calories and stuff. Like tracking your food, seeing what you're eating. God damn it, this guy has balloons. It's the worst attack here now because he has balloons. So we're dropping here finally. It's no 22 model here present, only for the previous day high. Sweeping. So we gotta close below this. Come back down here. Use this as a means use as microstructure shift. If we don't get that, we want to see close below this, but we're not gonna get that probably. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar, porque por la noche yo fui débil. Era evitar tu celular. Perdón, no lo sabes, pero yo te quiero con el corazón. Te quiero con el corazón. Dropping out smoothly. Smooth criminal drops. So I'm chilling now, guys. I'm chilling, very, very much chilling. We're still not getting up there. We're still not dropping below. I want to see us drop below. And then start to have price push lower for London close. So it's hitting that macro. It's in a macro. So 950 to 1010. And oh no, wait, no, 1050 to 1110. I'm bugging. So I want to see some form of liquidity be taken out or a rebalance into an imbalance. So that's pretty much it. What I'm looking for here. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me falla. Yo te volví a buscar, porque por la noche yo fui débil. Era evitar a tu celular. Perdón, no lo sabes, pero yo te quiero con el corazón. Te quiero con el corazón. No pasa nada, la verdad. A veces no me entiendo. Very watching the market is very boring. I won't even lie. I'm on my phone now half the time. I won't lie to you guys. I won't lie. I'm just on my phone playing Clash of Clans. Really, it sounds really silly, but you know, just watching this, bro, this shit's boring. Watching the candles print, bro, from every minute, it's very boring. You know, just you already have your levels. They already went up into your range you really wanted. So, oh, I mean, already went into your range you really wanted. So it's like just waiting for it to see what happens next, and that's the boring part. Just seeing, it's like sitting on your hands and not even waiting for a trade. It's very boring, but it's very beneficial. You know, just building your patience, building your knowledge for the market. You know, this level right here, watching crypto during the bull is the most addictive thing ever. In the bull run, maybe this is the bull run here. We started up. I'm just waiting to see. I want to see if ETH can take out these highs. If we do, like BTC, no, I think we're gonna push up even further now. I think we're gonna catch up, honestly. Look at Bitcoin just dropping from New York. ETH just rallying. Clear as day. And SMT divergence. SMT divergence. SMT divergence. SMT. Es prometí que volverá te quiero. With that fit in the targets, you think we're gonna go all the way up here, or reach that high? Oh, I thought you were talking about up here, man. But right here, yeah, I see this likely, this high up here. It's been straight bullish, too bullish. It's been a little too bullish. We need a correction, like Romero would say. But Romero's all he's getting pressed on Twitter, bro. That shit was so funny. I gotta go see that again. Bro's been trying to call out the bull market, the bear market. He's like, we're dropping, Bitcoin dropping, Bitcoin dropping, Bitcoin dropping, Bitcoin dropping. Now all of a sudden he's like, all right, I fed you enough.
Chimes end.
Let's see. See what he says.
Try and shoot me, Colonel. Just try.
See what he says. Look at this man. He expects us to reach down there. Bro, if we reach down there, I'm gonna be crazed. I'll be crazed out. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's glazing it. He's glazing it so hard. Romero, you're glazing it, brother. You're glazing it. My boy's glazing it so hard, bro. So just he's trying to pick the top. Or he's trying to call the shorts. That shit's not coming anytime soon, bro. If you continue like this, I don't see this coming out. So, I mean, he says we built up liquidity down there. So maybe we do come down eventually, but as of right now, I think we're just gonna continue bullish. So let me get off Twitter. I don't want to be on Twitter. I don't want to be on social media too much. That's why I don't even have Brave anymore. I don't even have Twitter on my phone. I just don't like being on there. I just like going on there for Romero. Let me just unfollow everybody and just go see Romero. It's funny, bro. It's funny. He's funny. That's why. And if we continue, we'll continue. If we don't, we don't. Simple as that. I would not try to force anything. I would not try to force my hand in the marketplace. I know the marketplace is very, very, very volatile, so I do not try to force my hand here. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar. I would need to sell my PC and Mac just for it to lock in without any video games. I definitely created my own model, but it honestly is just so hard to create one. Like, I'm just now understanding crypto. So what model you use? You use like the Fair Value apps only or what? I don't play any games, bro. I haven't touched any games. Like, if you go to my Epic Games launcher, or even if you don't, even if you see me on Discord, I usually don't play games. I'm usually on Spotify listening to music and just completing my task. You know, that's what monk mode is. That's one of the things. You know, just having less screen time on my phone, on like social media. I just hate being on there, bro. Just not really. I do actually hate it. It isn't good to be on there on social media, just comparing or just watching other people do their living their life. Basically, it's weird. Unless it's for information. If you're getting information from social media, then that's valid to me. But if you're just like watching other people getting entertained by them, I think that's a waste of time. You're not improving. You're not doing anything beneficial to you. You're just putting money into their pockets. Again, though, if it's for education, then that's different. But if it's for entertainment, that isn't ideal. You know. In simple terms, though, I want to see ETH create a similar equal low, sweep that sell side into a fair value gap. That's what you're looking for. So you look for liquidity and fair value gaps. I think that's valid, brother. Me, I use actually market maker models. I just like them so much. Market maker models and then 22 model pretty much for entry. But you know, that's pretty much it. Market maker X with 22. I posted it. I've been posting actually. I've been using it for a while. It's just the model that catches my eye the most. And then equilibrium, like of the range or standard deviations, take profit. That's just my favorite model, honestly. I don't think I can go. I just been winning the most with it, so I stuck with it. It's hard to find. Yeah, it's hard to find a model you like. For me, I just can't go wrong with this model. I've been honing it for a while. I've been pretty much. No, yeah, since I started streaming again, like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I just started using this model a lot more. Like a lot of my viewers would tell me like, you know, you need to use this model, you know, or you know, this model helps. This model works a lot. You know, it's very beneficial. So I just you know, I was like, man, because I already knew what market maker models were. I already knew what ICT was. You know, I knew, but I just never used them. I just went and freestyled, used fair value gaps, liquidity, and that's it. I never thought about actually using the market maker models to see, like seeing them be completed, like the stages. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just try it. And it works. It works really well. Bro, I got good news to me. My narrative is popping good. I mean, really good. I mean, that's good, I guess. Yeah, your narrative works. Journal it. Just keep reviewing it. On to the next. That's good, brother. That's good. Beautiful, beautiful to see the narrative. As long as you know what you're doing, it's working out. That's all you need. You don't need to be going to other people. As long as you have your trading down, your model, you're independent. You don't need to go and see what other people are doing. As long as you got it down. That's why I've been trying to get off Twitter and unsubbing all these traders and stuff. My buy model worked really good there. For what? Oh, Euro? Yeah, I've been working on that. That's good, brother. Why is this man just keeps snap? Oh, I forgot I even snapped him. Holy shit, I forgot. Buy model right here. Honestly, it was a really good one. I've been trading my own model instead of copying my friends who's still bearish. I mean, if your model doesn't let you be flexible, then I don't think it's a good model. If you can't trade both sides and it's not universal, like every multi-time frame, it's not a good model. To me, it isn't. To you, maybe, you know, you might be a swing trader, but I'm more of a discretionary type trader. I like trading everything. You want to see TGIF tomorrow? Nah, I don't. I don't want to see TGIF tomorrow. Look at the weekly candle. I just don't want to see it. It's a doji candle. I don't think we're gonna see it. Same thing with this one. This one might retrace back up a little bit more. So maybe for this one. This one I think we're gonna come back up maybe a little bit more. This one come I think we're inside TJF already for these. Dollar to Euro. I don't know. Euro, not really. SPX, not really. The range is too small. Probably for NQ a little bit. If the weekly candle is smaller, then I probably won't use it. But for anything else, then yeah. Let's lock in on these, man. I need to lock in. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar. Porque por la noche yo fui débil. En evitar tu celular. Perdón, no lo sabes. Pero yo te quiero con el corazón. Te quiero. Oh, look at that SMT there. Clearly SMT, clear SMT. Clear as day, boys. Clear as day, clear as day. Hitting that right there, so I think we're gonna complete this. Honestly, reaching for this maybe. Clear as day, clear as day. Clear as day. We're already above equilibrium. I just see this completing the market maker buy model for this one. Depends on ES for sure. See if we respect equilibrium. Disrespect it with this order block, then I just see us coming up and completing it too. I want to see bear market for EU tomorrow. What are you looking for? For EU, Euro USD. For me, let's go to dollar. Dollar. Yeah, I kind of would go with your bias, honestly, bearish. Or forex pairs bullish for dollar since we're approaching the equilibrium of the range here from the side of this low. Yeah, I want to. But if we disrespect it, we continue to drop, then forex pairs are going up. It really just depends on how we bounce or react to equilibrium tomorrow. I feel like there's not gonna be that much volume. We have 10 o'clock news. That's it. After that, I think till 12 is gonna die down. GPB USD when a 1 hour buy side, I would want to see the 4 hour SIBI come and get hit. So probably bullish for GU. Euro probably bearish, but the SMT is clear. So if we don't hold that, the SIBI, or if we do hold the SIBI actually and we drop, then yeah, bearish prices. But for Euro, I think Euro got to catch up. So I'm at the some form of bias here since we did take all this liquidity here. Probably hitting a 4 hour, not hitting a 4 hour SIBI. It's probably the new week opening gap. Yeah, we're hitting the new week opening gap today, so that's pretty good. I don't have this stop. So yeah, 4 hour candle, we just waked up. Looks like we waked up 1 hour, forming a market maker sell model. So I just see this coming down, probably dropping higher time frame, and then yeah, and I'm just waiting for that. I guess waiting for the displacement to go lower. Probably is gonna happen tomorrow. For like right now, we're gonna die down, just chill. Probably be inside like a range like this, just chill. Like 9 pip range. Usually that's what happens for after the market. Yeah, after the market, after like 12, it goes to what? What was the range for here? Let's measure it. Hold on. From like this high to this low, like 16 pips. Yeah, 16 pip range. Not bad, not bad. Then London starts to kick in. The AMD power 3. So yeah, I wouldn't be against it. I feel like it's more of a doji candle here in Euro. For GPB is more of a bearish one, so I would want to see GPB go higher, probably into this area. Take out all this buy side up here resting, I guess. These relative equal highs up here, come back up, tap into that. I guess this one stabbed up into it, but we didn't complete it. That's kind of why I want to see the market make it complete, so we can come down, hit some form of discount array, and then rally for tomorrow. So, but for Euro, I wouldn't want to see that. I would want to see Euro just drop back into here in this range. So, I don't know. Maybe if GU drops, it continues to drop, doesn't come back up, leaves this unfilled, probably for next week we come back up and tap into that, create the high up there and then drop. So yeah, I wouldn't be too against it. SPX, we're just pumping up. We're just pumping up. Oh. I want to go lay down so bad. I can't. I gotta do this. I do more tasks right now after. So, right in the city here. The 1 minute for SPX. So if we close above that, I think we're just gonna rally. I think we have to catch up at NQ, honestly. SPX looks like it's gonna just continue up. Take a buy here. Oh, I don't want to trade that FTMO account right now. But I'll stop right here. These lows. It's really like a gamble here, honestly. Well, that's why I'm taking it on this. This is really like my gambling account. My favorite trading gambling account on this. I can't get it to the higher. Let me see. There, perfect. Perfect, perfect. You get any sleep tips, nigga? Not gonna lie. You got any sleep tips? Not gonna lie. Not gonna. Yeah, not gonna lie. I wake up 10 plus times a night. Damn, I don't know honestly. Probably darken your room. If your room has like a bunch of lights on, that's kind of why, you know. But if your room is dark, I think you go to sleep a lot faster and probably enjoy the sleep a lot more. So probably having more darkness. Not being on your phone before you go to sleep. That's another one. Probably like 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Like before you go to bed, you know, just in your bed in general, you know, not trying to use your phone. Unless it's like an emergency. But what else? Probably drinking water too. I don't see liquidity swept on buy curve. Have no problem going to sleep. It's just so inconsistent, to be honest. Why you buying? I don't know. Like if you're waking up throughout the night, I guess that's. I don't know how to. I never had this problem before. I'll probably do some research, honestly. Like I would just look it up. Like how can you improve on your sleep? That would be first and foremost. Why you buying? Oh yeah, okay. Why am I buying? Because of SMT or the Six Sister approach with SPX and NQ. Clear as day. NQ is gonna complete it. We're gonna take that out. ES is gonna take this out. So I just see it's coming up. So market make a buy model here. If we do retrace, I'll buy more. Won't be against it. We're already above equilibrium. We're just disrespecting it. So I just see it's completing the market maker model. It's my model I use, brother. That's what I'm buying. It's more like a gamble though. It's more like it's a paper trade. I don't really care if I lose on there. For the FTMO though, I'm trying to play it like a real account, you know, and then for my fundeds, I haven't touched them really. Les prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar porque por la noche yo fui débil. Ahí está tu celular, perdón, no lo sabes. Pero yo te quiero con el corazón, te quiero con el corazón. Use Soldier's method to sleep or help it. I don't know what Soldier's method is, but if that helps you sleep more consistently, then probably try it out. I need to take more supplements. Supplements. I like taking supplements. If they're good supplements, I take them. If they're bad, get them out of here. I got so many books I need to buy. There's like so many books, bro. At least like what? How many? Let me count real quick how many I got right here. Then I need to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32 books. I'm gonna try to buy like half. Not even half. I'm trying to buy like 1/4 of that. So 32, like it's probably like 12 or 10 before. If I read a book a week for the rest of the year, how many am I gonna need? So 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna finish 3 books. Probably buy 1 right there. Buy 2 right there. Probably at the end of this month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. So yeah, no, just probably buy like 2 books every month at this pace if we keep reading. So yeah, no, that'd be pretty ideal, honestly. Ideal buy would have been at 4, 3, 7, 5, 11. 4, 3, 7, 5, 11. 4, 3, 7, 5, 11. Right around here. Probably right here. This one right here, or this right here. Around that liquidity sweep. Like around here. No, yeah, I did. I don't usually trade this. I don't usually take a trade unless. I don't usually even take a trade for like a near equilibrium. I like usually taking a long inside of a deep discount or a short inside of a deep premium. I don't usually trade like this. That's why I'm on this paper trading account. I really don't even. To me, it doesn't even really. I don't really use this one as much. I don't really care about it. It's just more of a test dummy account right now. See if we're gonna continue rallying. If we're gonna drop. Just waiting for it, I guess. These are. I want to see euro drop. I want to start seeing it drop. Just inside of a range. That's why I don't even want to see it. At this point, a change in steady labor for me would have to be that market structure shift in order for me to validate the shorts and then eventually push below equilibrium. Even then, we're kind of near equilibrium, so here wouldn't be a very good shorts. Plus, the volume died down around London close here. I wouldn't want to be taking on trade here. This morning I was taking longs for GU this morning, but it was very bloody for me, honestly. I won't even lie. On the 5-minute, I was around here inside this range. It was very, very hard. I don't know if I want to show you. Like I took so many trades, guys. I'm gonna show you. I guess. YOLO. I'll show you the GU one only. It was really bad. Like I need to see, what I did wrong here. Not a MT4, MT5. It's very bloody, bloody. It's like back and forth. I got stopped out twice. I think, yeah. Why am I on this right here? Hold on. Yeah. There, you can just see it here. Stopped out once, right there. So we were going long. We got shorted. We went long again, then we went long again. So 3 longs, and we got shorted twice. We got stopped out twice. Very, very sad price action here on GU this morning. But eventually we hit, so that wasn't bad, honestly. It wasn't bad. It wasn't that bad. It was just getting stopped out twice that really threw me off. It's like the worst feeling when you get stopped out, but your trade is in like the right direction, and then you re-enter, you get stopped out again, then you re-enter, and then you hit. But it makes up for you make like some profit. You don't make the amount you wanted to make from the original position, and then the second one would have made the original and probably like a lot more. And the third one, it finally hit, but it just doesn't hit as much. So you just make back your losses, but just a little bit of profit. Not too much. That's kind of what happened today. It wasn't the best day. I got a 5RR today on GU. Look back at that lovely 22 model. That's good. It was a good trading day for GU. EU, not really. I think EU was just too strong, honestly. I wouldn't even want to take a trade, especially the 1 hour buy side holding. I would have preferred this. I think this one would have been a lot better. Let's mark this one out. I would have probably took a trade. I think I would have marked. I think I should have marked this one out last night charting. That would have been a lot better. Starting to see the buy marker, buy model form here. I just don't like how it formed on EU. So just around here, you're already inside of equilibrium. So that's kind of why I didn't want to. This one right here wasn't. So market maker sell model here forming on GU. We're gonna see if we can continue dropping. See if we can hold this right here. It's a close candle. See if we can hold that. Push price lower. Prometí que iba a yeah, 15-minute order block. I want to see this drop. Take out these lows right here. Relatively weak lows. That's what I was skeptical to this morning. I was like, man, we're creating relatively weak lows inside this buy side imbalance. I think we're gonna stab into it and then drop. Never got that. We pushed up. I was like, I'm into it right here. Hit the creating a we were creating a breaker, but it was more of an order block since we didn't take out the lows. It was like relatively weak lows. So yeah, it was just pretty simple, sweet. Yeah, I just want to see lower price. I think euro. I was wanting euro to drop further, but we never got that. I think GU would offer that a lot more since it is weaker. SMT there. Yeah, I think they're both dropping now. Honestly, yeah. This one dropped a lot more. You see that completed the market maker model already, and this one hasn't. So I think euro. I think ETH has to catch up sooner or later. But we're not inside of imbalances, are we? No, on both of them we're not. So yeah, this one's clear SMT here. Clear SMT divergence. Let's go back up to the weekly. I need to set up my FMX account, start trading next week. Because if the bear market starts here, maybe if we don't hold, we don't reach this objective, if we don't even close above this, then I just see it coming down. But I am going to be very cautious to see if we tap into this and push up and start to pull. If not, then no, yeah. If we come back to equilibrium of this fair value gap, then I would just see if we close. If we don't, if we wick into it, that to me would be still bull market. If we close below, I'll be a little bit more 50-50 for a bearish one than bullish. Like 60-40. 60 bearish if we close below, and then 40 bullish if we try to push up. We're disrespecting equilibrium, honestly. The market maker someone here forms. I wouldn't be too inclined if we take these lows out for sure. What is this, Thursday high week, bro? This shit is crazy. It's crazy to me. I've never seen this happen before. I've never seen a Thursday create the high of week on a bullish week. That shit is wild. Let's go back. Let's see if there was one before. It's a Tuesday high of week. That's a bearish. Tuesday high of week. What is this? Thursday high of week. See, Thursday high of week. This shit is crazy, bro. Then we drop. Thursday high of week right here for October. Then we drop. Friday we drop 2 again. But we had steady decline drop. 8:30 right here. News. Probably FOMC. Maybe. No, probably not FOMC. I don't know. Just some indication that push price lower to complete this market maker model here. I don't know. Maybe this is where we drop too. Thursday high week. We drop. Friday we drop again. Maybe that's what happens. I can see that happening on NQ, since I would want to see NQ close inside this right here and sell sign balance on the daily. We got 2 hours, so yeah, probably start pushing lower after if we take out buy side or hit this rejection block. We start dropping. That would be, to me, clear. That we're gonna have Friday probably drop lower even further too. Probably into the 4-hour imbalance here on this one for sure. This one right here. I'm gonna mark it out now. Have that marked out. I'm gonna leave this one over here like that for equilibrium of that. See if we can get below that. Honestly, I might make this one a little bulky too, so we can just spot the difference. I don't want to see. I mean, this one already took out the previous month high, so I just want to see this drop now, honestly, on NQ. But if we want to continue completing the market maker on the weekly, then I mean, yeah, we're already above equilibrium too, so I just see us coming up and completing it. But for this week, I just want to see us retrace a little bit further back down and probably start going back up next week. How long you learn ICT for? Like, it's about to be a year in January. I'm leaving, bro. All right, brother. Let's see this right here. So we're just chilling. Maybe the order block on the 15 probably holds. I don't think we got. Yeah, I want to see if we close the mean threshold. I probably wouldn't stream here. On what time is it? Okay, no, probably like at 12 for New York time. So right now I'm just gonna chill. We're gonna see if the trade pans out. GU's going up, I think. Yeah, GU's going up. Let's see. Dollars might be dropping. Dollar dropping maybe. Yeah. Dollar's gonna be probably dropping sooner. Coming up back up to equilibrium. This one's gonna go higher. We're just really consolidating. After reaching that higher time frame PDA rate, we just start to range bound. Consolidate it. It's pretty normal. You gotta be on the sidelines after that. After you reach an objective on the higher time frame, or like your daily objective, you just gotta go back to the sidelines and because the market won't offer anything anymore, especially for forex pairs after like 12. London close usually tends to have that volume die down and just so yeah, just chilling, cooking it up. Adding my time frame pairing. I have a sticky note put on my monitor, the lower quadrant of it, and I have time frame pairing, my trading plan right there with the sticky note too. I'm gonna just close the trade. I don't even see us going up any further. I think we're gonna drop if NQ is already that deep. Dual camera. Listen to my dual camera. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar porque por la noche yo fui débil. So now we're gonna rally now after I close the trade. Really now. Oh, yeah, I think I'm in the stream here, guys. I just need to chill, man. I need to go walk my dog. I need to start reading early. I noticed that whenever I read late or whenever I start doing my task really late, I usually don't do really well. But I want to watch the market till like the PM session starts. That's kind of why. It's still early for me. It's like barely 10, so that's kind of why I don't want to stream here now. I guess we can do what? Now I gotta watch ICT too. So I'm just chill. Then we're gonna make a video later too. So I'm just chill. Just keep cooking it, I guess. Keep cooking it a little earlier. I'm stop watching the 1 minute. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of the 1 minute confluences. We need 5 minute confluences here only. 5 minute, then breaking it down even further. It's kind of what I like. I like big butts and I cannot lie. That's what that one guy said. So I like big butts and I cannot lie. That's where I got it faked me out multiple times. That's kind of why I got. No, which one was it? This one here. This one faked me out multiple times this morning, and then we dropped from the forex pairs. It was going up, and I was like, alright, we're gonna go down. It was going up. I was like, dollar. I can't trust you no more, dollar, unless you're like 15 minutes, and higher. But BRB.
I think whenever I want to get on my phone and stuff, I'm gonna just look at the página on my phone. Why? Cause like sometimes like I'll be itching to like get on my phone and shit. You guys wanna walk around, do something, nigga.
Don't do nothing. Sometimes it's better to do nothing.
Nigga, nigga. At 11, nigga, my camps are gonna be done and shit, nigga.
Mocha, come here. Come here. Oh my god, you gotta rub your mouth on this. It's so warm. It's so warm, so cozy, so fuzzy. Go to sleep again.
Hey, nigga, when do you order the pills and shit?
The testosterone ones?
Yeah.
You don't need those. You don't need no more supplements, bro.
Huh?
You don't need no more supplements.
Yeah, dude.
You got the box. I mean, you got the bottle thing.
I'm gonna order that bitch, nigga.
Why?
Why not?
If it's a W, then do it.
It's a fucking fat W, nigga. It's the best W I've ever taken in my life.
For real?
Hell yeah.
It's the best supplements?
Army camp upgraded to level 10.
Get this up. Get the other two. Get both of them.
Nigga, go in Clash.
No. I already won war, so I don't even feel like going back. I don't feel like looking at it anymore. My back hurts too. I gotta lay down real quick.
Go and look at my account, bitch.
No. I wanna see your account. I'll see it later. I want to see looking at your account, bro. I don't feel like playing that game no more. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I got too many accounts. I need to watch the market.
Bro, look at my account. I want to see my trophies and shit. Nigga, I dropped down to fucking Titans.
You can
3.
already see it on your thing.
Huh?
You can see it on your thing already.
Well, I don't feel like getting on Clash right now.
Exactly. I don't feel like getting on it.
No, because then I know I'm gonna start playing and shit.
Then good.
That's bad, nigga. I don't want to play right now.
Then don't go. Might be forming a market maker, so I'm not here farming. If you disrespect this, we close.
Yeah, nigga, I'm Titans 3 now, Willie. I think I made a mistake. I'm trying to push for Titans 2 again.
Just drop back down.
To what?
To Titan 2.
Nigga, I'm at Titans 3.
Oh.
I went from Legends League to Titan 3, nigga. I'm like at 4,300 trophies. Titan 2 is 4,400 trophies.
That's good.
But the last thing I was finding nothing but 10-13s. This shit was pissing me off. Like, I kept pushing down. I think I'm gonna go to fucking Champions, nigga.
Yeah, go down.
This shit pissing me off, nigga. Be Champions, like, what, 3 and shit?
Mm-hmm. It's a sweet spot.
Hey, but right, the all-time best, it stays on there.
Mm-hmm.
Like, no matter what, right?
Stays
Even
it
if, like,
forever.
the season,
Stays it forever.
like, your all-time best and
Yeah.
shit stayed, right?
Yeah, for my other account, I hit champions one time and stayed there all time best.
And it's still there?
Yeah, still there to this day.
Bad, nigga. Mine's gonna be fucking 5,009, nigga.
Mine was 3612, I think.
Nigga, mine was 35 and shit, and now it's 5,009.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, mine was like 3,500, like 3,540.
I'm not pushing until I'm close to like getting the builder huts. I'm gonna push to join Crystal League and then Champions for more gems. Cause you get gems whenever you reach those leagues.
For your Town Hot 10?
Like yeah, for my Town Hall 10. No, for my Town Hall 10 I already got 5. Like my other ones. I'm gonna just keep upgrading. I'm gonna just keep being in the lower leagues because they offer so much loot, bro. It's still good. I got no reason to push either. And I can't grind them all too to push. So we're holding the buy side balance right here. We have multiple ones of them.
So you think I should go down to like Champions and shit?
Mhm.
Champions, like. But the nigga, the loot bonus is crazy, nigga. And Titans 2, nigga, 300,000, nigga.
Okay.
Plus like 200K, nigga. You can't beat that, bro. That's 500,000, nigga.
You stay there.
Like I was pushing like in Champions 3, nigga. I was finding basically like 400,000 or 500,000, but like their loot bonus is, and Champions 3 is good too, nigga. Loot bonus is like 500,000 too. It's 280. But then I like Titans too, cause like even if you don't get like the 100% like loot bonus and shit, it still gives you like 290, 280 and shit. If you make like 50-60%, but if you hit 70%, it gives you the full loot bonus.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
70% 1 star.
Hey, like.
But I was thinking,
like that.
I should start using
that's not
dollars and
bad.
shit, but then I forgot, nigga. Troops don't cost elixir no more, so I can use any fucking army I want.
Yeah, they don't cost. They just cost space
Nigga,
camp.
nigga, right? They should have been doing that a long time ago.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me.
Or you think it would have been more strategic and shit if, nigga, I like it because like you don't waste elixir on your army no more. So like let's say like you waste like 200,000 on the army and shit, nigga, and then you lose a battle, you get like 50,000 elixir and shit. You fucked up.
And now you can upgrade your camps and your barracks and your spell factory and still cook.
You can, right?
You can upgrade it. Yeah, you can upgrade
And
them.
I like it too how like they only have 1 barrack and 1 dark barracks.
Yeah.
Instead of having 4 and upgrading all 4 at the same time. I'm stupid, nigga.
It's upgrade to keep the troop speed max faster.
No, nigga, like you upgraded the like every time you upgrade your barracks and shit. If you didn't upgrade your barracks and shit, like your troops would take longer.
Yeah,
to,
the speed.
yeah,
cook.
nigga. So like you upgrade it and it speeds up by 2 minutes and shit.
Now it's thermal.
Now it's
Drop,
like they got a better system now. Bro, what's
We dropped here.
What's
We dropped nicely. You see that?
nigga, like there's not a clan war league. What is that?
Clan War.
Clan war league. What is that?
Clan War League.
It's just like regular clan war.
There's like 5 clans go battle. Back to back
Like-
wars.
What's raid weekend? What's that?
I don't know.
Nigga, you know that's different. Like it's different, right? Like there's like different maps and shit. I think I'm gonna do raid weekend because it's not your base, nigga. It's not like your ordinary base. It's like weird ass shit, nigga. It's like weird map layouts, like weird troops and shit. Like all the troops are air troops, nigga.
I never done that before.
It's pretty cool. It gives you raid medals and stuff. I think whenever it's raid weekend, I'm gonna join your clan and do that shit.
You can?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like war or what?
Basically, it's like war, nigga.
Damn.
But like, it's cool because like you don't have to like upgrade the bases and shit. Like the more you win and shit, it like there's like different leagues for it. There's like bronze, gold, crystal, just like the regular league, nigga. But for that,
It's not
but
bad.
for a clan.
That's not bad, honestly.
I'm gonna show you later, nigga. It's not like your like regular bases, nigga. Like they don't have archer towers. They don't have. It's different, nigga. It looks like a different game, but it looks cool though.
Yeah, like that don't sound bad. Like I've been trying for 5 years, 7 years. I try to sound like Q Banks. Q Banks, man, he got veneers. He be stuttering a lot.
I'm gonna do every weekend, nigga.
Guys, Q Banks be stuttering a lot in his veneers. You can just tell the veneers, man. He's like trying to
See, look,
try
nigga,
to specifically.
look. It's different. It's like a whole new system, nigga.
You be one of that base? You be upgrading your stuff there or no? On those villages? or
Look,
no?
nigga, look at the bases and shit.
Yeah. You be using those villages though?
You have to be in a clan and shit to do this.
The freaking super wizards. Damn, why is it so?
What the fuck?
Like that's 3 stars right there.
But like, I don't get it. What's that for and shit?
Bro, just go watch the video about it, bro. Like I can't.
See, look, like there's like
Can't
different
explain it for
villages and shit.
Yeah, like that's the capital the capital hall. That's what it's called, I think. So like we had this sell sign balance here, holding it. Capital raid, yeah. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar porque por la noche yo fui débil. Hello, my video at 820 views. Crazy, crazy. ICT sounds model's crazy, bro. They're glazing his model really hard. You see that? I want to watch indices. Forex pairs not really catching my interest right now. I mean, like the London close has volume. Don't get me wrong, but like to me, it just seems forex pairs not there yet. I think indices are kind of my objective here. I can see it's coming back down probably right here. Filling these up maybe, taking a partial there. I just still see us coming down lower, especially for NQ. NQ needs to drop. I don't know what's been so bullish recently. Prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar porque por la noche. There, let's get the mic a little louder. Had to turn it down real quick. My brother was here, you know. So he was yapping. He was a yapper. I'm back stream. I'm actually. Why does it keep saying warning? Your KBS is too low. Is it really? Is that bad? How much am I at? I'm at 36. I don't have nothing open. That's kind of why I don't even have Discord or anything. Oh, Brave. Probably turned Brave off. I don't use Brave. All my Spotify music is all downloaded too, so I don't see why it's still like that. Stream health. Warning. Good. 3600. We're at 3650. Oh yeah, 3650. I guess what does it have to stream it to be? So what? I don't know what type of KBS I need to put it on. Still got news at 2 o'clock though. Waiting for that. Right now I'm just. Damn. Let me scoot in actually. Kind of far from my desk. Yeah. Let me lock in real quick. Let's go back a little bit right here like that. So, all right. So, this is on the 5 minute. Let's go back up to the 4 hour. Zoom back out. Again, on the 4 hour here, I was looking for the sell side imbalance. I mean, the buy side imbalance. Quantitative encroachment that could come and tapped into since we are inside that daily sell side imbalance. We have swept the previous day high. I was expecting more lower prices today on NQ, but we're not getting that right now. So it just seems probable for. I just want to see how we close too. You know, if we close above, it's very bullish to me, especially for the weekly profile. Very, very bullish. 4 hour again, we have all this range here that I need to see come back, fill up. If we don't get that yet, I'm not trying to pick the top. I'm just waiting for the smart money reversal. Give me confirmation. Enter. Just one. Oh yeah, 4 hour. We had a 4 hour buy side imbalance with another one here, so double. I would want to see the first one again to get tapped into for NQ. ES already hit it, so it already hit the ES only created one, so I kind of see why. Relative equal lows down here. We already swept those earlier for the 15. Swept all these right here. We had this negative order block, but we never came and got that. Rejection block here hit perfectly for this right here. We swept that, I guess. 5-minute time frame, we had that buy side imbalance here. We are seeming to form a market maker sell model. So I'm gonna want to be seeing, how NQ reacts. If we create this as an inversion, and then we start, we close below this up close candle, to me that's gonna seem like a sell program is gonna start to kick in. Market maker sell model. I would want to see ES start dropping. You do the same thing, ES is gonna have to close below this and close below this fair value gap on the 5-minute, especially since it's tapped into an equal premium, and now we're near equilibrium. So for GU indices, for the forex pairs, again, just as typical stuff we're looking for is so we swept the previous day high. I want to see how we close again here too. I feel like we're gonna close inside, so not much volume else is gonna be left. 1 hour here, we swept the previous day high, relative equal highs up here. We never came up to this outside imbalance. Euro did. GU is inside of an equilibrium of the 4 hour range. If we measure that, I would, but I already have it in my charting, so it's kind of pointless. So we're inside that 1 hour SIBI. We're holding it for lower prices here. We never closed above, so to me that seems like we're still going to be bearish till we get higher prices to close. So relative equal lows down here, I am targeting that 15 minutes order block. Another one being created, so close again on this one. I can see us coming back up, tapping, and just using these up close candles as a means to push price lower. We're in the sell program. Equilibrium of this range, I think it would be around here. So I think we're going to get to equilibrium relatively quick, or soon. That's not quick, soon, since the volume is dying down here for London close. This one too, this one, I think equilibrium is around here for this one. So if we go back up to the 4 hour here, let's go back up to the 4 hour. This one never created a SIBI, or it did, but it's already a balanced price range for it. We're still tapping into it, and we just took out the previous day high for this one. Took out all these relative highs up here, and then created a little market maker buy model. In the 1 hour, we had this BISI, and we held it perfectly. And now we push price higher. So to me, on the 5-minute, we have this inversion. We created an inversion. We tap multiple times. We don't want to seem to drop yet. I would want more confirmation on this one to start dropping, like a market structure shift, and then we retrace back up into like an imbalance. So like seeing strong displacement and then creating a little fair value gap there and just bouncing on this and then coming back and tapping into it and then dropping, taking out all these lows right here. But for GU, it seems like GU would offer that a lot better, since it does have relative equal lows, even though it's near equilibrium. This one isn't as near, so this one will probably offer a lot better, but this one is a stronger one. So just being a lot more cautious here, waiting for these to pan out too, the indices. So that's what I'm watching. I'm gonna stick to the 5-minute. I'm not gonna go anything below that anymore, because I just feel like the 5-minute cleans up a lot of the noise for me. I'll say this till the day I die. For me, the 5-minute is my favorite. I want to see if ES uses this as an inversion, this order block, to push price higher and disrespect the order block and rally up. Probably have to use the restroom after this stream. I can't hold it, man. Getting goosebumps. So it's dangerous when you're getting goosebumps. And then I'm probably gonna come back after the stream and probably chart. I gotta journal all these trades I took, man, for the GU ones. I know I showed y'all that earlier. With how many trades we took? We 1, 2, and 3. So we took 3 trades. I gotta journal all those. The third one finally hit, but it was just a very bad trading day. Honestly, I shouldn't have been doing that. Should have been just taking so many longs, and stop loss placement should have been a lot better, honestly, for that. This day could have been avoided, honestly. So I'm just watching the indices. Forex is dropping now. That's what I like to see. I'm watching these charts on my phone too. If I'm on my phone, I'm watching MT4 charts. I'm like reviewing the trades and like where I entered, and then just seeing like what price action is doing right now on different time frames, like where my trades could have been better. Honestly, like they were really good. The 5-minute, the 15, everything was really good. Probably just like a little bit better on the 5-minute, honestly. And then the 1 minute, not trailing my stop loss. Not really even like having better stop loss placement on the 5-minute. That's kind of the only thing I really see here. First stop loss was above or like at the rejection block, so right here, and then we got stopped out. And then the second one we entered right around here, and then we closed it manually because I thought, you know, Dixie was gonna drop and we were gonna complete a little market maker sell model here forming, but it was clearly a market maker buy model and stronger. So then eventually I entered as soon as we got up here. That we didn't even close. I just entered as soon as I saw getting above this because, you know, this inversion was disrespected as soon as this happened, and we're gonna close above it. So I entered, came up, took a partial here, took another partial at 75%, and then I started fully closing it around here because I just knew we're not gonna go higher anymore because of the SIBI. I spotted that 1 hour SIBI. Really good day, honestly. It was nothing bad, honestly. Just too many trades, and not having enough conviction for them. Sometimes holding them, you know. So that's pretty much it. That's really it. You know, I just really need to work on that. In Q, I think we're gonna continue to we're gonna rally. We're gonna rally. What am I saying? Seems like we're holding the buy side imbalance for now. Dixie, we disrespected the 5-minute SIBI. That's what I'm looking at. So that means these gotta go up. I want to see these go up. And then for Dixie, I don't even see us having any imbalance. Probably this inversion would be the only area I would want to see us coming back and tap into. And then probably start pushing price higher if we want to continue higher. That's pretty much it, really. Forex pairs probably go up and hit an order block and then drop. Same thing for GU, like hitting that 15-minute order block and then dropping the one that we created. So probably like digging deep into it. I'm just doing it on my phone. I mean my PC. I don't want to do it on my phone. I can't draw it correctly on my phone there. It just looks so fun, like cool, just like seeing it happen on my phone. Like as soon as I'm doing it on the computer, it looks so cool. I want to see NQ complete this model. That means GU is gonna have to. I'm watching GU and NQ right now on my phone. That's why I need more charts, bro. I need like more charts. I need more charts, bro. Even though I need more monitors, not more charts. To like see what I need to see, you know. When I have one chart open for the forex pairs, like a SMT chart, basically, like for the 5-minute or 15, and like for ES2. Like so, this one will be my main one, staring at one chart, and then I'll have another monitor putting these up. So yeah, so like watching the SMT on the higher time frame, like the hourly. It could be the 15, it doesn't matter to me. It could be the 15, it could be the hourly. It doesn't really bother me. I would prefer probably the doing like a top down, probably like the 4 hour and then the 1 hour and then 15. Just like keep scaling back and forth between those 3 time frames, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour. And then that's pretty much it, honestly. Because prometí que iba a olvidarte, pero me fallé. Yo te volví a buscar, porque por la noche yo fui débil. So we're dropping here nicely. Beautiful delivery here on GU. We never came tapped up into that 15-minute order block, so I want to see if we respect this one. I'm about to use the restroom now, BRB. I gotta use the restroom. Alright, I'm back. So we're dropping. It's dropping nicely here. Oh, it feels so warm sitting here. I've been sitting here all day, that's why. 4 in the morning. We're just dropping here. Yo, Roxy, did you start watching the ICT 2023 mentorship videos? I've been on his mentorship since I finished the core content months. I might have completed though, honestly. I've been watching it all year long. I remember watching it during the summertime. If you go back on the channel, like TGR versus ICT's mentorship 2023, that's when I started watching it right there, like during the summertime. And it's been like, I stopped watching it during August. I started rewatching it some of it during September, and then October I didn't really watch much. I was just live streaming all day, and now in November, since he finished it, I'm gonna just try to complete it. Since I was already so far into it, then like during the summer I was finishing a lot of it, caught up to a lot of it, and then it was really just keeping up, but I wasn't able to do that. And then now we're pretty close near to the end. I'm like on episode 100 right now, and there's like 105, so I'm gonna try to finish that. I don't know if I want to watch. I think I might watch his last live stream. He didn't put it into the 23 mentorship yet, but I might still watch it here and there, just to complete it fully, because I already know he's gonna add it later on to the 23 mentorship, so I might as well just watch it too, just get it over with. That's pretty much it, really. Just finishing that. I want to finish it by this week. That's one of my objectives. So finishing the 23 mentorship, setting up my crypto futures account too. I think it's time to trade crypto. So SPX respect and that NQ, I think we're about to take out the high. I think we're gonna take that out and complete the market maker model here. Seems really extremely bullish. GU, I would have wanted to see us come back up into this equal order block, but again, we didn't get that, so it's all good. Do have this one right here for me. So yeah. Alright, let me see. I think someone on Twitter shared their Notion notes, dividing everything into live streams, market reviews, and lectures. Look through them, and they're pretty good. Want me to drop you the link? Nah, bro, I'm good. I mean, you can put them in the Discord for the people, but I really want to review them, honestly. Like me, I already have my notes, so I already know like what I like to study, even though my notes aren't the best. I just feel comfortable reviewing them. I used to review a lot of other people's notes. Like I would screenshot their charts and like save their charts to my phone and just review them, like back then. But after having a model and trading the model, I guess I don't really like. I just don't like reviewing much stuff other than what I already have. I guess it's really like just personal growth now. Not really learning anything anymore. I already retained it. I already learned that. Just need to retain it, and then just keep reviewing it, keep building upon that understanding, and get better at reading live action. But you can put it in the Discord. I'll go over it. I mean, I'll review it. Like have a quick look at it, and then just put it for the people, I guess. I need to make like an education channel. Just like people that join in and want to learn. Alright, yeah. I think I'm gonna make that right now, honestly. Let's make an education channel for the people in the Discord. I already have it at the bottom, but I guess we need to do like public education. Let's do that here. Where should I put it? I think I'm gonna make another channel. Let's put category. Let's put ICT learning. Let's put ICT catalog or category. No, ICT catalog. That's not how you spell this. A, right? It's A catalog there. And then you can put it in there for the ICT catalog. What should I put? What should I title it? ICT notes. Let's put it that ICT notes. You can put it in there, brother. Let's see. Add a channel. Permissions. View channel. Send messages. Enable links and files. Add reactions. External messages. And then read message history. So pretty much just say ICT notes. That you can put it in there, brother. USD CAD, great retest on the order block. So where was it? Was he trading USD CAD again? Oh no, it's AUD CAD. It's USD CAD. I'm tripping. I'm bogging. Yeah. I just don't like trading exotics like that. Damn, some beautiful longs both. Levels are starting at 7. Guys, expected to fair value gaps. We're going lower, so pumped. That shit is heat. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. So you can put it in here. The notes for ICT will be placed in here if you need to learn or review anything. There. Add here. Oh, I spelled it right. SV. What is SV? Who's SV? I've never heard of him. He just joined right now or what? He just joined. I need to take this off. I'm not going to futures. I don't want to go to futures no more. I'm good. For this, I can't even open this. I don't think. Yeah, I can't open this. Locked. What else should I do? Should I do? Damn, how should I put it? I was trying to link market maker models, but ICT trade examples. That's what they're on. Examples. I'm gonna put your charts. I'm gonna put your charts, you know, in there. I'll go get your charts real quick. What was it right here? Let's get these right here. Let's copy image. Put that in there. Let's take your quick charts real quick. Let's see. Permissions. View channel, send messages, attach file, add reaction of links, just read messages through there. So once we export this for anybody, package content provided lectures linked to their post. Good, I love to see that. Here's a Notion, guys, if you're wondering. Let's close this out. This is lectures. January. On the last trading day of the year, like outside day, no new conditions reside low range. Damn, this is juicy, honestly. That is juicy, but I won't lie. I'll probably have to go over that in a while. It's gonna take me a while. Thank you, brother. Shout out Shino. We are dropping now. Order blocks respected. This one was respected. I didn't get to see it, but clearly respected. Let's create another fair value gap here, so we're gonna move this one like that. So this one get hold. I want to see if NQ starts to drop after taking out this buy side. Okay, internal swept. Internal sweep. We have another one right here. The rejection block is out of the picture here for me. It's right here, so yeah. So we're just watching that on the Forex pairs. I close Discord out because my stream is it's gonna lag. That's why I close Discord. It basically saying my KBS is under right now too. Again, just saying stream health isn't looking good, so I'm gonna try to reduce as much as possible for everything to get my internet back up and running smoothly. What is it tagging me in for? Oh, messages. Hello, beginner of the day. Abdul Remhaman. I don't know who this is, but I'll say hi. Add some emojis to these channels too. Just put a piece of paper. Continue to rally. I was texting on the Discord real quick. I was adding emojis to the channel too. But we're holding the Cibi. I mean buy side imbalance. Bissy. Euros still haven't yet to make a market structure shift. Euro just very strong. GU is very weak. You can see that clear as day. We're still yet to reach these lows. I want to see if we reach those lows. But if we start to rally, I guess because we hit equilibrium, of the range I'm unable to identify it yet, but because I'm looking at this one more until we come and complete these lows, and I'll probably use another one. But as of right now, we're just gonna chill and use these. About to hit 12 o'clock. I'm about to end the stream here in like in a minute. I'm about to go use the restroom, and I'll probably watch PM session probably like in an hour. So like 13:30, I'll be on the Discord watching that. I'll open up Discord, and then probably before that I'll try. What am I gonna? Oh yeah, I have to watch 23. I have to watch the 23 mentorship. I gotta catch up like on the past. What is today? Thursday. I gotta finish it by this weekend. So usually my week starts right here on Sunday, so I gotta finish it the next 2 days, not including today. So that's kind of why I'm in a little bit of a hurry to finish it, cause next week I got other objectives to meet. I got monthly objectives, I got weekly objectives, and I got daily objectives I gotta do. And it's like a month mode. I gotta do the month mode regulation, non-negotiable. So it's a very intense day, honestly. Like I get nothing, no pleasure. Feels very, very hard right now. Hardship. It's worth it though, honestly. You feel a lot of benefits. Just completing tasks and just growing and understanding a lot more things. Especially reading. Reading is probably one of the most slept on things for now. For right now. And then journaling, meditating, reading. Sometimes studying and researching, that works, but just those two probably work a lot more better. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end the stream here, guys. I think the stream's gonna come to an end. For what I'm watching for Euro, for the Forex res before I go again, just these order blocks holding, see it come down to this relative lows with this little buy side imbalance there. But if we don't, then I guess we hit a discount. Now we're gonna rally. If we do, but Euro seems to me, if GU starts to push up and then Euro doesn't, that means it's kind of a SMT, and that means most likely Euro is gonna drop and GU is gonna follow. For SPX, again, that 5-minute buy side imbalance. If we hold this, I think we're gonna come up and take these highs out for SPX, and in Q, I think we're gonna continue to rally if we hold this too again. So ES will probably complete it. ES will complete it, and Q will continue to rally and form a higher high for the rest of the week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for the stream, brother. Really appreciate it. All the work you put in. Thank you, man. Thank you, Chino. I really do. I really appreciate the message. And I think I'm gonna continue to do it, continue to push. I don't think there's no time for stopping, So I'll catch you next stream. I'll be in the Discord for PM session, and yeah, peace.